Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Isadora, what? What? No, I never just shower. I never just shower, you know. I not go tell lie and beard like, you see that lady there named Empress Ija, what you seen in the chat? We call her Milo. She tell lie and bearding all the while, yeah? I just make you know, yeah? Enough time when she not beard, she tell people, big nose ragga in the places, oh, you mean Munchie make them know? Big nose man, I do it. Yeah, you see the woman in there? That's right, Albert. Yeah, I have clothes ragga, what I'm here about. You see that woman in I chat when name Empress? Yeah, full of clothes ragga, what I'm here about. I like it. No, you see the woman in I chat named Empress Ija. Empress Ija. She don't like beard and she tell lie on beard all the time. We call her Milo. Yeah, she don't like beard. I put her business out the Empress Ija. Yeah, she in the so she wash up this morning. She in the ANC too, you know. I tell about them ANC woman that she in the ANC too. Okay. D1 Tony Boney, boy, I don't even know about that name the way you have, you know, Tony Boney. I don't know, I probably don't even want to hear the backstory to that. People, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. If it's not a wonderful day, make the rest of it a wonderful day, all right? CBS, big up yourself, you know. CBS, you're good somebody. Like timeout from the war between ANC and SDC. CBS, you're good somebody. Raga love you and rate you them for know what you mean. I'm drinking Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. Damn, you're loud in a taxi downtown. Big up your, hey, we a taxi downtown where? Downtown Jamaica? Dams. Downtown Jamaica? Which part downtown? Because you have only part downtown, you know. Kalia, big up yourself. Downtown, what? Well, anybody in a Jamaica, listen, you know, big up on yourself, you know, nah, left you out, you know. Bubbles too cute, a.k.a. Miss Long Island, big up yourself, everything is everything, yeah. It's gonna be a great day. It's already a great day. I want me to your furry friends. It's already a great day. What you mean? I remember your day is where you make it, you know. Okay, so all when cross is upon me, and me say laugh, learn, and grow, see me, all right? All right. Bubbles too cute. Big up yourself, you know. You're running for an alien name, but it's all right. You're running for an alien name, but it's all right. All right, let me see what I want to go. The farm worker, them a check in from Canada. Brap, Starboy, Mother Road. See it there? Oh, you mean? Sure. Ragashanti was never a Rasta. OMG, all these years I thought he was a Rasta. All right, sure. You're not the first. Them just hear the sound, Ragashanti. Sure. A long time, something that. Enough people think me a Rasta. No people think me a Rasta, and enough people think me a like 80-year-old, you know. So you mean Ragashanti, I'm a big old man. But me a old man, you know. Me a old man, I'm my old man ratings, you know. My old man status. Nothing wrong with that. Me a old man. Because I love say me a old man because, you know, that save me from certain things too, you know. Yeah, because sometimes some people out there they misbehave, you know. So I just tell you, I'm an old man, man. You leave me alone, I'm an old man. I want to come over here, so I'm an old man. All right, go somebody else. Yeah, that save me from enough look at drama and all them thing there, whatever excitement when I can't bother with in my state right you know, been there, done that, you know, man, I chill on a cruise right when I'm on a frightening thing, you see me, we just want to enjoy life, make some money, pay our bills, take care of responsibilities and all these things, yeah, and there's some of there, you understand, keep it simple, laugh and drink up some coffee and hang out with family and you know the drill though. See it? All right, with day I know people so I know the drill. All right, watch your ride, I know. Shan Raga, you're around 66 now. Hello, I was listening to you from I was a child. And I'm grown, man. I'm grown, man. All right. Uncle Raga, Mass Raga. Mass Raga, me I work with right now. You know. Mass Raga, me think the right now. So I don't know the levels, man. I'm grown, man. I'm a pitney, you know. All right. That's why when someone in my DM, I wanna keep up on the antics and whatever and things like that. And remember, me a big old man, then I foolishness with someone, you know, someone for behave. And that's that, yeah. I'm grown, man. So I don't know if you come at me with certain things, you know. I don't come talk to me about a problem I wanna have with, you know, people, and thing, and I make a father counsel, you know. Like Master Raga counsel, you know. No, and that's the thing for that. And that's the thing for that. No, baby lips, big up yourself. Our people, I'm going to tell you now. Oh, man, I bring up that. Yeah, I'm grown up for you. Admit it and done. When I listen to Raga from on the idea on the knee, as we say in Jamaica, yeah. Admit it and done. Right? Not only father Raga, it could be grandfather Raga. Yeah. Okay. All right, watch it right. Roll, big up yourself in a Karen Robinu. Raga them say old man water scratch. Yeah, Jamaican have that thing about old man juice scratch. Nobody ever tell you you're a scratch yet. No. Raga old man, but when I work with a scratch juice something. That scratch juice something. Yo, people, you look like at the phone I do it for you, you know. At the phone, look at all of the excitement with the. Because people, I want ratted computer system, and I tell you, you know, like, you know. Yo, I'm going to say more about it later in our show, but people, I decide, say, I would have love to like do this full time. This is what I want to do full time. Like what I used to do back in the day, you know, and keep my look show them too and whatever. And in doing this full time, straight up, I have to be able to take care of certain things too, you know, and expand it too, you know. I have to be able to take care of certain things too. So I think I'm going to really focus on the subscription thing over here and say how far it can go if it's worth it. And that would mean so you have to subscribe. All right? But I'm going to give it a shot. You know, so have you ever done the battles? Nope, not doing them. Not doing them. No. Raga don't do them match something. Come on, man. Big old man. I know I see some people that do. What's a macadam and I do it. That's not my thing, you know. That's how you rank. That's how you rank battles. No. Them battles something there. No disrespect to the people I'm gonna do it. That's not my thing, you know. You know, I don't mind something of them there. And I'm not being elitist or anything, nor am I apologizing for it. I'm just saying, I don't mind something of that. What I want it? Oh, mean a long sleep? Oh, no, it's, well, the AC's on, but no, because I have lights and whatever, so it's usually, me not cold, but me not hot either. Well, yeah, the AC's on, and, no, yeah, Nicky, me not in a match thing there, yeah, and listen to me, I welcome gifts from you, but you're not going to hear me a bad on for gifts. Yeah, I just want to know. Like, Raga, your age good though. Thank you. Y'all are so nice, you know. Tracy, make sure say you have the right number though, you know. Tracy, if anything, just send it to that number, yeah, you know. And then me will give you. And then send it to that number, yeah, all right? This is the number. 516 500 0210. All right? Just send it to that number. 516 500 0210. And we link up, all right? You don't know your foundation, you know. Sexy Gigi say, I like your vibes. Thank you. It's really nice of you. All right. You know, I just be myself. It's either people like it or they don't. Some don't. But you like it, so I give thanks. All right. All right, people say Squeaky just made an important announcement in the chat. People, Squeaky say, people, I know I look good. Squeaky, I make it ladies. All right. Okay, make sure you follow me. And again, I'm not gonna bother people in the match thing, the gifts thing, on the gift one no one gift. I'm not gonna bother with another one. But again, I'm going to focus on the subscriber thing and see where that lead. And by the way, I'm putting a website to accompany this, but me tell you more about that later because we want a family, we want an online community, a virtual community and all these things. So, yeah, I want you all to, who can subscribe to me, okay? Right? So I want to know, what the subscription button? Oh, see, you see the star down at the bottom? All who can subscribe, on a subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to hear me openly. I encourage subscription, right? People, I love the law. I'm a lawyer, as many of you know, and I do immigration law, yes. But my real interest in the law is really academic, you know, because you all know I have my Ph.D. in anthropology, and there is an intersection of scholarship that I'm excited about, you know, the way in which, I'm not going to bore you all, but just the way in which imperial authorities, you know, throughout history, use the law to subjugate non-Western peoples, you know. That's the broad theory of it. And then what are its practical manifestations in contemporary America, the Caribbean, and all this stuff, you know. I'm interested in stuff like that. Some of us want more how them use the law in a general way. You know, like back in the day, them people, them are going a people country, you know. Them going a people country, you know. And then they make a law, you know. And then when them do wicked things to the people, them say, oh, it's the law. Because the law allow us to do it. And them start with some interpretation of religious laws at first, and then it leads to political laws. And they have always used the law in some creative ways, you know, to thief from people, and to subjugate non-Western peoples in different ways. So that is what I'm really interested in. You know, I know many of you are not interested in stuff like that, right? But that's the academic side of me. And that's what I really want to do with the law. And perhaps later on down teach it, right? So I really want, when me go law school and the law school, everybody kill up themselves for go work a big firm and whatever. I just tell them, no, I'm going to firm and I work 70, 80 hours a week in a firm, and then that's not me. I might think that, you know. I love laugh and keep up arms house and free grade. I make no apology for that, you know. So basically, I'm just saying this to say, I would love to do this. You know, do my little serious thing separate, but at this I want to do. And if I'm going to do this, the way I'm match it out, I think me's not no match people. Me not do match people. I mean, I come here go beg people for gifts and them something there and thing. Me too feisty and ring for certain things and whatever. And nobody come bust no liberty for me and all them things and whatever. Cause me send them up with them for go and thing. You know, yeah, me will send them up and tell them what them for go dehydrate themselves. And if you're dehydrating, you know you're consuming a liquid. But anyway, you know, so I think the way to go here is a subscription. At a subscription. So at this me I go focus on. So you have to subscribe, all right? You have to subscribe. If me have like, I don't know. I mean, me's a man, me always hear my, you know, so by next year, me have like 1,000 subscribers. But good, me there every day at work. You understand? Turn up on time. Yeah. So, yeah, that'd be nice. We have like 1,000 subscribers. 1,000. Yeah. All right. So, with it on best friend mix-up or any other mix-up one, best friend mix-up or any other mix-up one, any little drama will go down with your best friend and whatever this and that, just give you a call and make we hear what go on and sit and whatever and make we know, see? All right, son up on a request them now. Now request back. Greetings, hello. All right, we're good here now. Talk to me now.
Tell me, see your name plug in sitting.
No, I have to take it out. I have to take it out to that one there and then put it in the other one when the show done. When the show done, and then when the show start, I have to take it back out to that one and put it in the little smaller one, you know.
You like pushing that smaller one?
Yeah, can you know, forget the thing going, you have to put in a smaller one, you know what I'm saying?
Anyway, you know, when me send a request, you say, as me click on your live and become your voice was so smooth and nice.
My voice, what?
Very smooth and nice. It's a good thing for me now look nobody.
Why, man, tell you know, the one I do for my ego over here, and I mean, when I look at pop down self and whatever, you know, on a lie, you know, I will compliment them on a too lie, man. Me, I look at crabby crosses like a me.
Truthful. When I came on, your voice was very velvetly smooth.
All right. Okay. Yeah. So where I go?
Nothing.
Yeah. What's up?
It's a good thing. So me not look nobody because you probably get yourself a stalker.
Cheese and peace, you know. I can't manage this thing. You know, so I'm afraid. Hey, I can't nobody tell you what listen to all these years, you know. I've had some.
The wonder man.
Eh? you remember when I look at stalker them at Jamaica? Me telling them give me a warm time, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, the boy, me I tell you, man, and then when he preach upon, I go police, the police them not believe me.
But Raga, what make you go like you're a parboil rice, so you're basmati rice, you know?
Y'all need to stop.
But I me not like the smell of it. But you're basmati rice, you're up there.
So where I go at? Where I go at?
No, sir. Me not come back over here come chat nothing because me I get pay call. So you end up a Raga show? Me say no, me never come to a Raga show. Why would I be listening to Raga? Why them I recognize my voice over here?
Jeez and peace. That but nobody not take it to you like in a bad way.
They can't take it to me in a bad way, man. They know say me head not right in a Killer Watson, my grandfather name.
Okay, what your grandfather name what?
Killer Watson.
Killer Watson?
Mm-hmm.
What? A bad boy that?
A bad boy that. So
bad boy something, so them know, so them can't play and the legacy dead there, you know, because you can't defend yourself. Hold on. Are you diggy with the mix up about when you did ask your man for swipe and him back to them? Now you know I say, cause you know say you have some mix up over your Panderac lead the pack, right? But you have some mix up. You're one that take a cake, you know. You're one that travel all over the world, you know.
Yes, man, me see say you travel like everybody. I say me say Jesus Christ, then I say my voice recognizable.
Yes, man, that mix up the man.
You realize say all long you know see me no request you nothing.
Yeah. I want you to get boomy because everybody pick up your voice, don't.
Yes.
No, man, that
Work
one.
in the box, girl. But me no want nobody come over here come mash up my safe place, you know. This is my safe place. This is my
Yeah.
thing.
I hear a thing. Man. No, man, but that mix up that it take off because it stirred debate, you know. Cause it's a big thing like wine liquor or whatever this and that, and then you have the man them, oh, I should bring that to him or whatever, you know. Yeah, man. See, that was one of them really up there, you know.
Yeah.
Seeing, but what going otherwise, you know.
Depend the work there.
Seeing, yeah, and everything
9 to 5
balance.
and then they go on it 10 to 6.
You still a do that something, eh?
Yeah, man. I three people me having a raga, you know. 2 in a college, one a ton doctor, the youngest one just graduate high school, and if he start CMU, at them right now, me not have no plan for myself. At them, I promise you,
Okay.
and me I deliver upon it.
Oh, blessings, man. No, man. Blessings. But,
One day a second year fit on doctor, the other one day a teachers college. The youngest one now just graduate. They go figure CMU fit on marine pilot.
wow. That's very good. So, you know, you fight with them and push with them on, you know?
Fight with the raga, enough little thing me go through, you know, because me I tell you know, you see when me have 2 of them a boarding school and one a prep school, me and the father left and he not give me nothing. Me tell her say lucky dollar and coats come for them goods in my house now. Me and them have to slung in there like a nobody not in there, you know, quiet like a mouse. And me know say lucky dollar can't get it then can't get it before 6 o'clock and then can't get it after 6 o'clock. So we lock up in the house quiet like a mouse.
When they come to take back your furniture,
When
then.
they come back and not even when furniture one piece of stove.
So when them come and knock, you tell the people them quiet, no?
Quiet, man. A 3 soldier them in a man. A 3 soldier them.
Oh,
Nah,
you them down. Them know them. Oh, God.
Them wally, man.
And them a remember them something, you know. Them a remember that, man. And so, oh, you mean?
Me have one
me
in
a
a
mum.
ragga. You all if you give him put it, dress him in a crocus bag and send him pan away, him a go school and come out pan it up.
In good, okay. Oh, good. Very good. Very good.
Make nothing, man. He no make nothing matter him.
Very good. Nah, man, them a go on good, man. I just want to big you up and think for what you do and know you hold it with them and thing. You know, bless up yourself, man, all right?
Yeah, man.
See?
And the other day, me went there Jamaica, you know, me go down for graduation 2 weeks ago, and me see the crossroad, and me hear one young lady, they talk to her friend about, say, our baby father left her with 3 children, and she don't know what she gonna do. And me walk past her, you know, me remember my situation, say, I see him when me went there, but me when need for left, raga, me when need for left, because he could have killed me. Hey, I mean, I know some, and go back, you know, me, why some my time when time is long and me look at me say look at me when love lick like a lollipop, guys.
Oh,
you see one of the things with Jamaican society where we put out there say successful children don't come from a single parent household. And that's a lie. And me prove it. You see, me when know a long time say the relationship you not go work. And the children them when they instead of me they fight we have a 2-parent household. The fight they happen in front of the children them and all of them something they raga. Better me when have one single parent household with one happy and contented person. Because me have a daughter who suffer from post-traumatic stress syndrome because of what used to happen in her house between the mother and the father. When me middle son when they do GSAT, one day me I look through in book and write one comprehension and in get the full mark for the writing mark, and he said when his mother and his father they fight, he hide his little brother in the closet, his sister scream pan top and voice, and him run go figure look help. And every day I regret say instead of me when they fight we have one nuclear family, me should just go away and go have a single parent family where at least more contented and they pick them now that they say there's something there. Right.
So there was a lot of abuse from him, like, you know, a beating, you did reach you and thing.
There was a whole lot of abuse. Me not say me look back in can make me give as good as me could have get. But there are some things that went to the extreme that should never have happened.
Right, you shouldn't have reached this. So okay. So you say you're happier now single with your children than when the father was there, right?
Of course.
And it's
And
better for them too. And it's mentally better for them too than when the father was there,
I'm going to
correct?
tell you, you see, me did want to get my daughter out of the situation
Mm-hmm.
because when it happened, it put her in a this. I mean, I know she just look at this timid, afraid. Her off to boarding school after GSAT.
Okay.
And you know, say she did boarding school and couldn't focus on work because if he call me one time and not get me in start worry if him mother and him father they fight and if him father do him mother something. And Raga three little people they went on referee. You see, if me and him father have nothing, they three of them can sleep in the bed with me, head, foot, side and side. So him not have a space can come there. Like them a build this protective wall around you.
Which they shouldn't have to be doing as
They shouldn't have
children,
to,
right,
and
right.
something in a silent moment when me think I should have never put them through that. Me could have walked off one long time ago and left the situation. Instead of that, me fight for the relationship, fight for have that household where they said that this is the only place successful picnic come from.
But I would suggest that you not beat yourself up on it because what happened was, you see, if you did just leave, from my experience with these things, you see, if you did just leave when the little problem come up, you see, whatever challenges you'd be facing now, you would always be wondering, like, you know, why me did just leave? Probably if me did just stay in a relationship, at least me and him would have so and so. But what you have now is clarity in purpose. So you know now that what you have now, even with any problems you may have right now or challenges you may have right now, you know it is still way better than if it is still there with him and them there in terms of what you did have go through. But the only reason why you have that clarity there now is because you stayed for a while and you tried. So nobody can come tell you now, say, now my you're better where you go left your husband for where you go this and that. Because you know no.
Relationship.
Yeah.
Me fight him if he want the relationship with me, him alone. Me fight this a girl down there, so me go up there, so me go fight that the one day. I don't know. Me should get some Muhammad Ali recognition.
Well, me have something on a rule, you know. If you have to beat up somebody, if you keep somebody, the person who you keep is not your man and is not your woman.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right.
Because you see, you them Jamaican be, ooh, you know how much me go through with a boy, you know, enough girl me beat female and whatever. And when them talk, me always listen to them, you know, because again, you know, if you have to beat up somebody, if you keep a man or a woman, it's not your man, it's not your woman.
Then you know, oh, me make up my mind and say everything you go down here. So you know, you see, after one pint in a raga, we make up and in go down pan in knee in wanting relationship and family. This and me say to myself, if you go, they go take up one man, you know, they go abuse me, in them and me have data and the whole sexual abuse something is always on the forefront of my mind. Mr. Me no want. No, because it took me a while to get back in our relationship because as bad as me and them father be, our children them whenever sleeping at their own bed, they come just they have the go ahead when they can come into their parents' room and just lay down and sleep with their parents in there. And I say if me go pick up one man, you know, they're not gonna have that luxury there anymore or anything like that. Me tell you say one day he sit down and he tell me say he go he want him family. And I say, all right, might as well make it a try more than go try outer road, go try somebody else. 1 week, we live good for. And we have this mirror in the house and he went sit down under the mirror and said one text message. And I read the text message, you know. And tell somebody say, can't travel come so far for your front, you know. And I read the message and I make you know, say I read the message and I say, nah, confront him there, so you know, me see if you really want him family. We go for the front the night. It travel the hours a night, the miles go far. I say, okay. You see, as of today, just consider yourself a single man. Because I done. And when they expect me to worry, me now can come home and want war. I'm sorry, I'm at work. And come on now when they expect you war, I expect me to war with him, I done. Me no
Right.
war with him. I me love him raga. In left and in go and in come as he have a like and in. So my time all 2 weeks, me no see him for me not call him ask him when there cause I done me done.
You done right. You reach
Done
a
me
point
done.
there.
And about almost a year afterwards, when me finally start talk to somebody and they open up and you realize say, hey, the girl have a man. At that the time they ain't come in and you that me when I have to run, seek refuge, yes, so seek refuge there so cause I kill you and kill me because me have man now.
Nah, that is sad. But anyway, respect for the local maids and thing. And again, we just want to commendations and big respect to you for where you're going with your children, them and thing like that. And that you're at a better place now, obviously. We hear it in your voice and thing. So big respect, man. And we just want to say more strength and protection as you go forward and thing. And we too are proud of your children, Hey, when you step up, when Jamaican people step up, it's sweet, me, I love it. All right, big up yourself here. Love and blessings,
And
man.
tell
Yeah, man.
anybody say if they hear my story, don't call. Tell them say don't reach out to me, they feel me alone, they feel listening to alone.
Yeah, leave her alone, man. And even if you bother her and whatever, this and that, you don't want Ragashanti go start text it pound. No, I like it. Okay. All right, big up yourself here.
All right, Raga.
Yeah, man, cool. Yes, I. What they are. I don't know the levels, Best friend mix-up or any other mix-up one. Best friend mix-up or any other mix-up one. We is our day here. Bounty kill attack. And think 980.
Good day, Raga.
Good day. What's up?
Where you talk about grow? Who you grow? Or something why you growing at me? Out of here?
We.
Which part you still grow me? Come grow something in me, please. Because you look good. Grow. Because you sound good, You not grow me. Me want you grow something in me.
Yeah.
You can every good. It's not nothing to do with you. Listen, me stalk you. See, you know long me I stalk you. Some woman calling and whisper and tell about what she want to do with you and your friend. Me say, me want to call and make you know see you have another one, Raga. I want to see you up, you see.
You want what?
I want to rip you up, you see.
You want what?
Mr. Ragashanti, I want to sing sweet melodies in me. Sir, stop talking about all. What is it about? Mr. Ragashanti still happen. Not talk about no age, not talk about no hole, not talk about none of them sitting there. The body still a trunk, still a happen, man. Me no hole, me just a 43. Me I tell you. Trust me,
You're proper good as man. You're proper good as man. I ain't talking about
over anti program, I see you. Me love her for you till me look bad.
What you say what?
Comment and speak my mind and they comment them like Ragashanti.
What you say
Over
what?
anti program, I see you. Me say, and every comment, everywhere me see you, me pass social media, me comment my mind. I want to rip your up in any day me hold you see
No, when you see my growth thing and old thing or whatever, I might look a strategy for kind of age. With this kind of like, I'm a old man or whatever. But I mash up my business now.
Me I tell you loud and proud. No inbox to me, loud and proud. I want to rip your up, Ragashanti.
I got it.
Man, feel good.
What?
Yeah, man, I don't stop my call if I tell you. Not about no grow, you not grow me. That's all me want.
Jano.
Loss. My reality come to yes, me tired of loss. Me want the real.
Yeah, you are reason.
Grow. Yes.
Yeah, well, you're full of chat, but we are talking about grow me. You're not grow me. You need to grow something in me. That bad.
I know about them, but you never grow me, sir. When it comes to you, you not grow me.
Duly noted. Understood. Understood. All right. So, well, and I just that you call for said, oh.
Yes, me look at my face, me feel a loss like a backside.
Hear it?
You look good, everything just look good for you. All the front, me watch you like a hawk, you see. You
What you
never
say?
understand.
What you?
All your front, me watch, me see up on a picture, me see up on a video, me watch you like a hawk and lost. The big man turn good. Let me tell you.
Well, you know, so I tell people all the white people, I say, but man, this ghost thing, when them tell them just a look on front when the woman, I mean, I say, woman do it too. Woman
Then
do
me
it
see
too.
penny pe front in me eye, me a look, I was me want look for you. Me a go
No,
look
but my front never in your eye. My front never in
in
your
me
eye.
eye.
No, it never in your eye. Are you put your eye there? Are you put your...
Me say in me eye, you know, no small fries. Go on where you go. It's in me eye, me not blind.
All right, good. All right,
Me
good.
know
As
small
big.
fries when me see them. You know, no small fries, darling.
What you mean? What you know about
Me not see
me?
no small fries. Me
What
say
you
me
know
watch you
about
like a
me?
hawk.
No, what you know about? You don't know nothing about me. You're speculating.
Stop rub up yourself, hold up yourself like you're shy. You're
No,
not
yeah.
small fries. You know,
No.
me watch you like a hawk.
You what?
Me watch you like a hawk. Anyway, me see you.
You
Me say me
serious?
watch you. And me eye heavy there for your front.
Well, nah, man, nah. You know what I'm saying? Nah, man, you deserve a spanking, you know, you're going too bad, you know.
Raga, don't do that. Don't do.
Don't do what?
Hey, you make the panty wet, Jesus.
Well, so when you say don't even talk about spanking and whatever, because that's gonna make it worse, though.
Yourself, no man.
When you say that's gonna make it worse, though. Oh,
Raga,
Jesus.
you is a nothing but a teaser.
Ooh.
You
no, man, no.
dirty teaser.
No, you see you're full of lyrics and thing and whatever, you know.
No lyrics. You want to see with my hand there, my jaw, there's a steer on you. So watch all the smile. Look on the clean teeth, them. Jesus Christ. My hand there, my jaw, there's a steer on you, son. Man, me can't hide it. I tell the truth. That's the truth, Raga.
No, man.
You ever open your mouth
we need to bring God in the midst now. So.
God love me and love you. That's why I make me get him on the show today. Make me happy speak my mind. Me I hold it in too long. Me I lost for you for too long now. God, that's why I tell you God love you too. You need to hear it and I need to speak it.
All right, we're going to sing a song together, okay?
Jesus loves me. This I know. He sent Ragashanti and
No, make we sing all things bright and beautiful. There, sing that one there. That one.
All things bright and beautiful for you, of course.
No, for me. We are talking about Sunday school song. And that's a Sunday school.
Beautiful for Ragashanti. No small fries around here.
Well, all right. You know what? This is not working, so I think my best bet is to just shut up and and just listen. Yeah, all right, yeah.
Playing on my ear right now.
Yeah, what? You what?
Playing on my ear, you know,
yeah,
like a little girl where playing on my ear, me say what I have for me ear, kite shot right now.
Yeah.
God, jeez, Raga, if you ever see me right now, proper like a young spring chicken in love. Ragashanti,
no, your mouth too sweet. You have the sarsaparilla mouth, you have the sugar mouth, your mouth too sweet.
That's the truth, sir.
You have the syrup mouth there. As a syrup mouth you have.
One you want to end up.
Yeah, you have the syrup mouth there.
Wifey, if you're there, listen, boy, you're lucky, me grudge you bad. I mean, no one on me alone. Raga, stop smile with me. Turn your head to the other side, no sir, please.
All right.
Jesus Christ. Please do not help me.
Yeah. Come on for the people in TikTok. Big up
yourself.
Big up, mom.
Small fries.
Blessings, man. All right, cool. Yeah, man. Love and blessings,
one
man.
More time for me come off now.
What?
Yeah, smile for me one more time for me.
No.
Raga, smile, no, man.
No.
Smile.
No.
Raga, smile.
No.
Make you suck my jump now, Raga.
When you say make the summer jump down.
Yeah, you see, Lord Jesus, you get it.
Jano, we can't manage you. We can't manage you. We can't manage you. We can't manage you. We
Have a
can't
good
manage
day, Mr. Reggae. See, I come up your front. Bless up yourself, Mr. No Small Fries. Me don't see him already. Me pass him out every time. Anytime I see again, I go watch out your front like a pass again. You see it. Yes, Mr.
All
No
right.
Small Fries.
All right, mommy. All
Bless up
right.
yourself.
That's
Yeah,
our word,
mommy,
man.
me a party tree. One way you go.
Yeah, no, but no.
Chicken.
But you know, it's a Jamaican thing
Me a
when
spring
people.
chicken.
No, but
And
it's
I
a
want
Jamaican
spring
thing when we
pan, your
attack. You just say
godfather.
mama. We just say mama. You
I
want
want
what?
spring pan, yo. Yes.
All
I
right.
don't know the springing thing, go. Me still a spring left in a me. Spring.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, man, I like go in that grip up here. Anyway, have a good day, Mr. Ragashanti.
Yes. You make me afraid to say yes, ma'am.
Yes. Mom is fine. Have a good day.
All right, then blessings, man.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Yes, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Raga. Just another one say bye-bye. Oh, yeah, hang up with you. Oh, you see it.
No, I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you. Yeah, man. All right, then. It's your body, man. Jesus and peace. What about other lady? Jesus. God, Jamaican woman.
By accident.
Hello?
Right?
Oh, that was by accident. Okay, no problem. All right then, Charm. Okay, everything good?
Yeah, remember, check your DM, alright?
Eh?
Check your DM
Check my DM?
on TikTok. Yeah, check your inbox when you have the time.
Oh, okay. All right then, cool. Oh, people, again, I'm not sick. For those of you who don't know, once I'm sitting in front of these lights and whatever, after a while I get the sniffles and things. So I know enough I want to always send these. You need to take this. You need to take that. You know, the call a while ago, you see what she bad? Bad. No, I don't need. Yeah, greetings.
Wagwan.
There, man, I am blessed and highly favored, and things are going for me, and I'm very thankful.
Amen to that.
Mm-hmm.
Amen to that. You know, so me agree with the lady who just come off door.
What?
Nobody blush. Raga, nobody blush. Nobody roll the eye them and turn the head and smile.
No.
Raga, nobody.
No, you see
Raga,
that.
you have a lot of fans out there go crazy for you.
No, I don't know that. I don't know that.
Raga, don't be a hypocrite now. Don't be a hypocrite.
Mister, I don't know that. I don't know that. All right, no, I'm going to show you.
Raga, let me tell you then. And later we are going to blush a loss for you, Raga. You see that smile? Watch it. Smile,
Yo, Yanni. No, no. No, all right. Hear what I say. All you need for stop it, because we're not going to end up my show. A mix-up will come for here, no.
But Raga, the truth we attack, a part of the mix-up this way to tell you how we feel.
Nah, but nothing. All right, let me show you a thing. Let me show you.
How you make we feel.
Don't let me tell you something when me know about woman, right? No, hear what me I say, no, man. Just hear what me I say. Hear me out. What I think them with the youth, them not understand is, for women would say like, you know, see my man, this, see my husband, the Jesus God, and my man that and whatever, this and that. But if that man walk up to them and say, yo, what's up, can give me something, and I'll be like, listen, Mr. Sir, you're out there, you go about your business and whatever, right? Because women can do that. Women can like a man and in fantasy and in this and that and keep it there so. But them not want it become, you know, whatever, so I understand that thing there. So my things are there, so it there, you know, and you know, and that's cool, you know, so you know.
That's what you think. We are think further than that. You see, madam, whosoever she be, she have a lot of competition out there, but on the truth, you not give with the chance. Raga, stop nothing because you know what's not true. Alright, Raga, you start for your party when I come up? Hey! You know that jazz going to throw up and steal.
Oh, God.
Raga! If my visa never done, me die a fool. Every visa never done me die your food. What me say? I may make it public announcement, so all of the girls that want to show Jasper Raga, let's go, me I start the party.
No, well, me not. What?
A lot of we out here piss up yourself and I go on with yourself.
No. I think that you kind of envisioned it. No, I think you envisioned it.
No, Raga, don't do that. Raga, don't put the big words them now. We are telling you how we feel. You know.
No, me nah say big.
With the big words them now, sir.
No, me nah say big word or whatever. Me just say, hold on, stay right there, so don't move here. My son, hold on. Yo, Papito.
Yes, Daddy.
Daddy's working now and thing. How are you? Huh?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're fine. And how is are you guys in Tokyo now? Are you in Tokyo or are you at another part of Japan?
I'm in Tokyo.
Huh?
I'm in Tokyo.
You're in Tokyo and you're gonna check out some anime stuff?
We're gonna eat breakfast.
Oh yes, because I think you guys are 12 hours ahead, something like that, correct?
13 hours.
13 hours ahead now and things like that. So well, it's good to hear your voice. I'm glad you reached over safe and so forth. And I want you to have like an amazing time there. I want you to do crazy fun stuff. And when you come back, you tell me all about it. Okay? All right?
Okay.
All right. Who loves you?
And then tomorrow we're gonna do a kimono and tea ceremony.
Tomorrow you're going to do what?
A kimono and tea ceremony.
A kimono and tea ceremony. That sounds exciting. That sounds like so much fun. Listen, you got to record everything in your mind, you know, because when you come back, you got to give me like the full 100 and everything. You got to educate me. You have to teach me about the stuff that you learn when you're over there and the stuff that you have. Huh?
I just show you the pictures.
What? What's that?
Yes, I just show you the pictures and videos.
Okay, I'll look forward to those, okay?
Okay.
All right, go have some breakfast now and thing. And thanks for checking in and calling me back and letting me know, you know, giving me some updates and thing. And I really love that, okay?
Okay.
Hey.
Yes, mother.
Who loves you?
You do?
That's right. Know that, okay? All right. Take care.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. No, man, sorry, man. We have to take that, you know, because the general make one big trip, you know.
That's
so,
right, that's
okay.
good. You have to keep checking. You're a wonderful father.
Yeah.
But back to the mix-up now. We're going to tell you
Well, I know. I expect if we go in a different zone, I'll be like, you know, whatever. You like, yeah, back to the mix-up now.
Yeah. Not drop it.
Yeah.
You met the woman, the 43-year-old woman, I said, oh, she play in her ear and she don't have ear. And oh, she rub them. Well, you don't want to know what me they do right now. Me I twist and turn and I turn my foot and I ups and down and I rub breast and the breast them big too, you know. I'm going to tell about them.
Yo, man, I give my Jamaican woman them for nothing. I love when you see man on a sample, you know, me I tell you, you know.
They laugh when I cock up foot up in the ear. My foot then can't touch the ceiling if you go.
No. You see, at the
you
big.
have a hot up and 2 pints.
Those cool, man. What me I say?
You have a with 2 pints, Raga.
No, when me I say, you know, at the beginning, me I tell people say, no, you see, you know, I could do this and pay all of my bills and I come here, whatever, you know, because just the joy and the fun night and the Jamaicanness and the vibe. Because you see what you just do a while ago, there is no place else you can get that vibe there. Other people have fit them version, but it's not Jamaican, you understand what I say? And think, I just love that something, and I love immerse myself in that. It make me laugh, it make me happy, it make me relax, it make me...
I tell you, any day I miss you, I cuss myself. I say, me lazy, I listen to my story instead of me go check if you, the notification and jump on it and see what I go on. Rather, you am a joy. When I do stress me, I have that in my family. I mean, I tell you, say, listen to you is a joy. You bring peace to my mind.
Give thanks.
You bring peace to my mind. And thank you very much and keep doing this, what you're doing. and you have out here and with two pie, me still not forget to tell you that you say you dey have up and with two pie, I bend up and I put foot up in a ear and twist and I feel up and rub down breast and I go here. Rub hand in a ear, yes, and a kiss and a choke is still you not see. Yes, brother, yes.
No. And what is that show you turn out in that today? No, sir. What go on? No.
We are not, you love people mix up too much, so we are give our mix up with you. Yes, right. So the rest of people don't need for calling and tell them what them think about you.
No, they don't. No, them need to call about other mix up. Because people, you know, one that talk about me the whole show. No, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. I won't allow it. In fact, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah.
All right, pick up yourself, brother. I love you.
Love you too, sweetie. You take care. All right. Blessings, man. Cool.
Okay, bye.
Mm-hmm. You know what say? Behave. You know what? You know this probably need. Hold on, let me bring up that something. It's probably need like a look one song or something. Yeah? Come on. Okay, here we go. All right, pull down this. Yo, people, man, I tell you, say, we did have a party one night here, you know. Right here, so, you know, thing shot, you know. Let me see something. This thing I plug in. Yeah, it plug in. Okay, but it's the way over there, so. Put this in a mingle here, so. Alright. Don't it, Nick? Yeah, the ladies them roll out tonight. Yo, all who not follow me now. If you not follow me now, alright? You not follow me now. Okay, you not follow me now. Thank you, Thalia. We play a little one song until we see what going. Tambourine, Ragashanti, talk up some city now. Now say nigga sleep with evil, them a kiss up with the devil and a drain the blood I get to people. We get to them a feel and every day we weep and we'll only get to people in our jail. Claim to say them bright and only them a juggle right, so them no one to see with truth in a the life. Yo, Trump, we have to hear that later. Them alone go king and queen and them want me stop shape me tambourine. But me not stop shape me tambourine. No. Me not stop shape me tambourine. Me I said that I do have a tambourine with me though. We take me life, we will try. Once enough respect to be, just subscribe. Me not stop shape me tambourine. Them two man they will not like me and them friend them way up fight me, make them pledge them a go destroy me. Them a fight me cause them know what me say pick up the ghetto and then I go make them give me any blow. No blow to my thing, still I grow me tree, big up me mama, mystery, no make me let me God make me get degrees. But no accomplishments, them cute and house and car and pretty boo, me still a celebrate, get over the road. And me not stop shape me tambourine. No. Me not stop shape me tambourine. Oh, when them try to take we life, we will trick them, we will fight. And me not stop shape me tambourine. Darkness know them sin I use we fat fry them dumpling, but them fin know we done with them the same thing. Get to fight for party win election done and then them sin cause money run and get the people get nothing. So we want the what of them know we want fi star, we wanna show we not go make them take we fi no poppy show.
crush them with them lies, cause get up, big up to the sky. We are elephant and them a gingy fly. And me nah stop, shake me tambourine. No. Me nah stop, shake me tambourine. Oh, when them try to take we life, we will treat them, we will fight. And me nah stop, shake me tambourine. Them bad mind deeper than a well and good. This and fight them a sell deodorant and never hide them bad smell. We not go follow them cause them low. We no rate them get boo. We clean them from we nose, them a boo-goo. So get up people, wave your one, no shame of where we come from. Get to have we crosses but we still strong. We no afraid of backramasa. When them fight we get stronger. We wipe them where we toilet paper. And me nah stop, shake me tambourine. No, me nah stop, shake me tambourine. Oh, when them try to take we life, we will treat them, we will fight. And me nah stop, shake me tambourine. And me nah stop, shake me tambourine. Me nah stop, shake me tambourine. Me a the slamming king in the country. Enough gal ball out and me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me the gal nearly kill me. Follow the shanty. Slamming king in the country. Only a gal squeal out and me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Lord, I'ma say she nearly kill me. Hear the story. Whenever me woman them get me big rent, I am them ball out when me shift them internal organs. Me kill them with the loving, drive them insane. Make them mash down the bed spring and ball out me name. Boy, you see them Islam machine in Punsi. Gal slam so good, Lord, me could manage me. Is a boy when me a slam, me no want no mercy. But Punsi make me back, Lord Jesus help me. Slamming king in the country. Enough gal ball out and me agony. Boy, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me, the gal nearly kill me. Follow the shanty. Slamming king in the country. Only a gal
From 20 odd years ago, you see.
Oh, you see them me get a walk.
Ragashanti, Forky dancehall, you see me?
Kill me. Punsi knew where to touch and how to touch and when to touch and why to touch. Me body did weak. Me couldn't keep up and when me off and me puff. I run out of breath. She said, boy, tap your nose cause you no get nothing yet you going giddy when you get the over the moon. The rapid-matic we make you sing no tune. The bazooka back breaker destroyer. And dog yam your supper with the big John killer. Me a the slamming king in the country. I know y'all ball out and me a got it.
All of the people who love Jamaican folk music, big up on yourself, you know. Big up Miss Lou, big up Master Rand.
Slamming king in the country. Only pa gal squeal out and me a got it. Boy, you see me get a walk from Punsi. Lord, I'ma say she nearly kill me. Hear this? Now when I make girl of this slam when me pour back a stream. Punsi say, Shanti, me want you scream out my name. Me say, girl, you coulda bright, me nah go scream your name tonight and anything you come with. Me a put up a fight, then she fling it so and dash it so and seal it for me. And in my mind, me say, Lord, give me strength for manage it. And when she wheel it so and jump and jam it like a sledgehammer, me say, kiss me mama, she a muscle lady star. Then she wheel it and she flick it and it's really sweet. Me go fi ball out her name, but me hold back it. But when she quint it and squeeze it, and my head start take me, she say, when me name me ball out. Punsi. Oh God, Punsi, I love you. A million Punsi, a holy Punsi. Oh God, oh Punsi, no done it. More than a Punsi. Aye. To the car, the house of you, the house. Lord God, what I love it. Dang 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 dang. Slamming king in the country. Only to rap and I gal ball out and me a got it. Let me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me the big gal, nearly kill me. Follow the shanty. Slamming king in the country. Only a gal squeal out and
No, Pretty Dreads, this make from 20 odd years ago. Cash up, give me big up yourself, you know.
I'ma say she nearly kill me. Hear this story.
Take it off. Take it off. What you can't please in a Raga. I prefer you in white. I don't like this color on you. You know, so me like my color. I like when I have on, you know, Queen Natalie, all right. I like when I have on. I love earth tones. Earth tones color them, you know. I never like brown when I grew up, you know. I never like anything to do with brown. But I like this, you know. Right. Yeah. All right, here we are going. Mix up rapper right now, you know. We want some mix up for your show right now, see it? Yeah. Yeah, all right, we want some mix up. Best friend mix up or any other mix up owner have. Best friend mix up or any other mix up owner have, all right? Best friend mix up or any other mix up owner. Like my friend, them a text me, you know, so I know when them up to, you know, them just love the arms house, you know, just be a foolishness them up to, be a madness them up. Oh, we had a new subscriber and thing like that, big up the new subscriber, yeah, and I go push to get more subscriber because I think that is the way me can stay up on TikTok and go and do the show and have fun and all them something. It's gotta have to be subscribers, because me not do that mad something then. I'm not gonna come over here and beg people give on them something there and I might speed that. All right. Somebody say add me now Raga sexy. What? Add me now Raga fresh mix up. Oh, sexy come out of my mouth. Let me see what. But me not see you. Yeah, something for add you and me not see you. I already rang something I pray. Oh no. I rang something I press. Hold on. I think this is it. Okay. Yeah.
Right.
Wagwan.
Madam, good night, good evening, good morning, everybody.
Proper. Wagwan.
Right. Madam, you know, say a long time listener. Me did even call in for your radio show one time and tell about one mix up with one girl. And
Yeah.
some people did call back in and say a lie she a tell. I didn't even want to say it, but the girl dead now. The man when she take the girl dead, the man give her AIDS and she dead.
Oh wow. That's tragic, you know.
Yeah.
So but a long time she drop out then.
No, just Saturday. Not late last. No, this year she passed out. She dropped
No,
out.
but can I ask a stupid question? Like people still are dead from AIDS?
What?
No, because they had advanced so many treatments for it. You know, there's a lot of people living fulfilling lives with AIDS, you know. But, well, let me correct that. HIV positive, but it not reach AIDS, yeah. So, yeah, let me take that back, because whatever. Oh, that is unfortunate, don't it? Seeing. So, what go on differently now? You say you have something fresh.
The mix up. Right, so me and a girl, she have forced up on me for friend with me. So me I watch her and me I say, oh, this are years me know her. And me I say, oh, this girl I want to friend me. So she just come in to me and she give me a name, she call me friend. So when she said, friend, you ready for that work? And me say, me I go bed now and then look away because me buy one little piece of cheap car. So me and I go to work and all these things. Lord
Right.
have mercy. Only for no say, cause me not go back from them time. The only for no say, me borrow her phone one day when we there work and use it and call a man one big man will like me and I take care of me and all these things. The man have some dirty ways. Some would have said to her, say, you know, some I like his style of the man, the behavior not right because him love listen here. Say, as somebody come tell him say. He say, me nah know, tell me more, so I hear and hear till he hear too much and not turn idiot. Anyway, borrow the girl phone at work and call the man. By the time me now figure, when me hang up the call and figure delete the number, her phone lock drop for me. So me I say your phone lock and me did want to delete the number. She said, no girl, when me done me delete it. Alright. Dog now has 7 Papito blouse and skirt Raga. With their work and borrow the phone the Monday. And by the Wednesday the man can call me and say to me say,
Browning, you got work? So me say, yeah. Oh, so me say, what is it? Nothing much. And he go on till all my mother get involved. So my mother said, then what make you no want to tell her? He eventually say, two lady call him and tell him, say, the girl where you there with no want you, and she use you. All right. Me convince him and make him know say not no go so, which is true, because me and the man attack and me want the man, cause a big man.
Right.
Just the other day, Jamaica day, me meet one classmate, not classmate, schoolmate on Facebook, and me and the guy talk on WhatsApp now, exchange number and chat on WhatsApp. My friend was there, she a looking at my phone. Meanwhile, me a do what me a do, she say, Fren, you know want to see long out tongue off for you. Just like that. So me say, you see
Well, she said, who no want you? Who you did that talk to?
I was, all right, I met a schoolmate where we go school together.
Right.
Not a classmate, a schoolmate. Him in a higher grade than me. So him see me on Facebook and link up and say, Ray, are you this, you know, and call me name.
Right,
and I say,
right.
yeah, I'm me. And he say, exchange numbers now, we exchange numbers. I say, me I come to Jamaica soon, you know, I want to see a long time, you know, soon, you know, Ray, but me like you still. Me say, really no. Anyway, him call me. He might talk to me on the phone. She look
Well on the stop. Culture campaign and whatever. Don't tell me there are things me do what you don't understand. But no, me no want to no come by and give me no direction. Or cola champagne, but focus rather listen. When come by with no impatient, there are things that I do and I know why me I do it. Don't give me no direction. Don't come in and chat and give me no direction. I want to run the show, it's me I run the show. All right? No, don't give me no direction. There's some little things I do. You don't know what me I do. I want to just shut on a ass and just make me juggle and do my thing. All right, go on talk. Yeah, go on talk here. Yeah.
Yes. So the girl said the youth long out tongue off him. So me hear the man. Me say true. Call the man and say true. So and so. And he say, I lie, a dirty liar, friend. I tell make him move from us. And go. So anyway, through him live overseas and me and the girl out here, I go and believe man, so I just have to put them my edge.
Well, and you kind of break up a little bit here.
Right?
Yeah, you did a break up a while ago. Go on. Yeah.
You hear me now?
Yeah, we I hear you good, right. But go back to I hear you now. Yeah.
All right, thanks. Only for no say, the man called me the Wednesday and say, Browning. So I say, who this? And a Jamaican number. And he say, you don't know my voice? I say, no, who is it? And he explained and said, so and so. And he said, in there, Jamaica. I say, I say, welcome back to Jamaica, man. And he said, where you working today? I tell him exactly where me I work. So I say, all right, when you get there, call me because I'm nearby. Lord have mercy, Jesus. Me go tell the girl, say, Fren, you remember the man when we talked up on the phone where you say long out tongue after you in the Jamaica. So guess what happened? Me I go do me here. Me I buy one little short wig for about 15,000. And me I go here just I go do me here and all these things raga. Fat. The girl not do nothing more and say, all right then, friend. Me I go look say if me see one here because my daughter mash up me here and Brary 2 years she travel with me by one little short one. She travel with 2 years for go do fear here too. Like a she the man I come for. Remember Jamaica they just gone couple weeks or a month ago.
No, but why would she think so she ever go meet the man to me? I understand why she thinks it.
Me no know. Big so wait now. Me wear for I work with them and I tell them my type of work when me do.
Right, that's
me
okay.
Wear a Forever 21 jeans and my Jamaica blouse and one sneakers. Guess where she dress up in a figure work? Tights. Wow. Tights. Long tights. So one brand too. I don't even remember the brand. Nice brand tights. Dress up, pull up, pussy print out and blouse.
Yeah, sapuni or chun here. Sapuni or chun. Yeah.
All right, chun well print out and girl well look good shape up. And I said then how me I go meet the man and she a try to outdo me. How this? When we in the hairdresser shop now, me I say, in my mind, me can't get for go work, or she a go do here, and she a go meet the man, and what have you. Eventually, we not get for go work. Here are in the evening. Friend, where you say you up to? Me say, me a go home and me yard, you know. So, he no call you. Me say, no, here are. If you want a friend, he will call you. Make him move in, war a hit. And me say, that me I say to call me. I say, me not pay no mind because the man already called me and say, me not go get to see you today. So and so. So me call you, because me go link you in a few parish. Me say, all right.
Yeah.
Father God, Raga, the girl, the man, when me borrow her phone, like say me would live at St. Elizabeth and the man live at Manchester. The phone number where did in there. She called the man. She and her daughter and her family make up and call the man. And tell the man who live much rotted miles away from me. How me no want the man? I use the man. He man fi invest in a she because he say me bossy. Me not apply down in a me car and I do the things them. And how much man a 4 man me have. And a 4 man a talk to me on the phone. Me single like me call it say me single, you know. And 4 man a talk to me on the phone in a Raga.
Jaja.
Phone and me tell me friend, you know, I don't hide a thing from her. And she tell the man who live at Manchester now, say, a 4 man she a talk to, she no want you must invest in me and not in her because I use you. After me don't tell she say, me rate the man and the man a take care of me and me a think about it because guess what? Me have me house to build, me have me things to sort out which me start my place and the girl I go talk about, Raga, don't build no house for her because the house where she have planned to build and next man she a try to plan to move in there. Discuss that with the dirty girl.
John, and him tell you back all of them something there, and the only way him could have know them something there, she have to tell him because him not know other way to know them things there, yeah.
And I don't keep friend because me I watch and I say, oh, this girl are coming to me, so me I try because me not keep friend. Me a 41-year-old. This month, the first of this month, me no keep friend from there. Long time they me call you, me no keep back no more friend. And the girl not do nothing more than tell the man. So when me confront her now, about 2 weeks ago, me send a message to her brother and the brother say, go to her. I don't know what I'm saying, go to her. Right? But she don't know we would normally work in the same area. When me if I go to work to see her, she switch for me. So if me work here some Monday and she if I work there, she no bother work there. So one day me go next place go do me here in one little community. And when somebody text me and say, you know say me see girl, somebody call me, and you know say me see girl, I'm here me I doing a one wig me I put on, you know. And me tell the hairdresser, I say just paste down your son and hold and then me I run going to the supermarket. Because in there she did go in there. So
why supermarket today, yeah. Yeah.
And when she a boom the blouse and skirt a come down, you know. She and her daughter boom a come in a boom like a ball breast well up and a boom and bossy. And when me turn up her corner of the shelf and bust round upon her nastiness, you know, man.
Yeah.
When me bust round upon her nastiness and me just say, Ragashanti, where you call up my name for? Because me all did hosting and never ever have vice like this. It's a healthy vice compared to what me did have.
Yeah.
Here I know. Yes, because me did I use my son phone and call him. Me say, if you did use your son phone and call me and me hear your voice, me done you hang up because me want to see you in person like no. Where you are? And me alone, you tell a business. Me say, you alone and my friend and you alone know say a soldier man did I look me. You know say a barber did I look me. You know say that man they saw look me. You know say that big man did I look me. And you alone. Where the blouse and skirt you walk a call up my name for. Because me here say you say to me say me no business where you want here say me say. And where you are say. Take blood off her blouse and skirt cross. And she might, you know, coconut back. And when me hear she depend, I'm not afraid of you, me say I spin me roll in there, you know, man. At time me have me pepper spray and my knife in my bag in a youth. And I spin me roll in there and I call in him and I say Ragashanti. I dead to you tell you the truth, me not afraid of your baby hole, you know. And don't make me get from me different side, you know. And shut up your F.
Yeah.
Shut up. And from that until today, every blouse and skirt place when you work, brother. Did they can't face the judgment.
You see it, she hide from you.
Hide from me. So all when I bridging, I want barber present. Right now, I go one different location, go work with you. And somebody say she show the picture and I say, you know what say? I this year my man where she teeth from me, that's why me and she stop talk. That peer brand that the man they wear. Girl can't talk.
Hold on. She show people the man picture and I say you take with the man from her?
And me take with the man from her. You ever
She's sick. She's sick though. She's sick then. She's sick. Yeah. She delulu too, don't it?
God. Yeah, I think so. Because when I look back into it, I was talking to one of the co-workers, I think it was Monday, yes, when I went to work Monday. And I'm saying to the co-worker that, so she's sick of people's success and that she know they know we're far from mad. And she's a black girl and she bleached out herself. You ever see dry coconut limb when it drop and then it stay there and rot and get well dark?
Yeah.
That's so underneath her look.
What you mean underneath her?
All right.
Put
your hand which part you need it. Just put your palm where you need it and which part your wrist stop from there so come straight up to Miss, I don't know if it is Miss Grippy or what she says she have Miss Grippy. And from there so, the throat so, a peer blouse and skirt, fussy all over, all between her breasts, in her rata, all of them places, it's all about fungus upon her body.
From she got too hard with the bleaching and it damages skin and then get infected and them something like that. Right.
Right. And she not have money for go a doctor because me do me look her practical nurse and they look something. So me interested in they look something. And if me take you for my friend, me I go try hard with you and tell you, give you the best advice. If you not have the money, me I go do the for you no matter what. That's how me think me would want a friend and treat me that way.
So hold on. The chun chamba too.
Toddy. I swear to God, right now I call and put my face on right camera and make you sweet.
And you said toddy down. Brace. Yeah, what do you raga? Yo, John, no. I you see she have all kind of things to worry about and they worry about people business and a bad mind and all them things and she have bigger problem and she need for her pre-right don't?
Exactly, because guess what no? She loves scammers. She love man with bleach and have where wear, scammer wear then look sitting and try make a little swag for themselves, them type of man that she like. So guess what? No, she see a man. We have one close store, I want different area. And she said to me, say, friend, me like the boy, and the boy would look big. So me say, Ross, I just would you focus on then. And me I listen to her. Me drop her, say before me even get there, me drop her company like from in October. Me drop her from October and she never blouse and skirt no so till about in late March, early April. From November, me used to go out like me and I would drive, we go at the like one little gaming launch and we go out with drink and play with little Rolex box and then something there. When we go there, and me always I do the spending, me I feel pressure. I say, no man, if I even want 6 jaggy you can buy. And she say, how much 3-6? I say, see a special day. Go buy this $62,000. And she will go buy it and sit all the while I me do the spending. So right there, so me cut her off there, so.
Right.
Right.
So what the status now with you and her now? Because you just say up to 2 weeks ago you did so and so. So she still have idea.
Also, me avoid her. No, yes, in that way with it, because I want to see her again about the picture where you walk and I show me I go ask. With your condition now, your medical condition, which you thought or you are thinking that, you are 100% healthy, when doctor check, you are not even 60% healthy. Why are you walking around with the man picture and showing that I took that man from you? First thing to comment, me bring the man come at your yard, come pick up your figure work in a for him care And when he see what under there, so he said, Jesus Christ, I want under me under him look so like an accident.
Well, but how him get to see under there?
Because even though she's like that, she don't want to wear long clothes and so forth. She continue wearing short clothes and showing off her pegs where look like a road that, come on, me don't know how to explain it to you, but it look like I went banana fungus then. Some fungus disease.
Yeah.
You
See,
know,
I'm
some
like,
pear where you put on the pear and it never ripe and it sweat and dry up and the rotten.
yeah, I
It's
look like
still-
mucky fungus.
Exactly. That is the best way me can explain it. Express how it look to you.
Yeah.
Bad. And no man no stay with her. She get the best ratted man I left her. Up to last week, one man catch her in a bus with one next man. Done this so. She can't keep no man. It's all about the money. And she not have education. I introduced to her and said, go back to school and do what me do, then I make you go do this. Because I have a lot of things. Right? Right. And me I encourage you and say, come no man, make we do this and so we can go overseas and rare whatever. No.
John, no.
Man, I go feel you.
Right.
Now she's been failed, but she don't even know say she feel. Because one thing come and I'd leave you within 2 to 3 months time. This a one gone and you find one next one. You left one for one for
Well,
one.
and of them miserable people, you know, and them just, you know, when them takes it by you know, and I go out with them foolishness, you know, whatever, you know, them unrelenting, you know, and them just can't let go and them make up this. Because all what you say now, she walk and I show people the picture and basically a bad mouth you say you did have the man and the thing what she do.
She did have the man.
But won't even be surprised, you know, the very thing them what you say she do. She probably I tell people say you do them something there, you call them man and go tell them man, yeah, you know.
There you go. That's why I love to talk to people like intelligent people. I know your listeners, them well intelligent. That's what exactly happened. She been telling people, say, me, I do all of that. So you see all the little man there now, he stress out. I send him one long message today to write it. Feel like me, I say, me I try for sure, you say, whatever you're hearing, she is troubled, something is wrong with her. And based on the life when me I live from work to me yard and to me, I'm a young entrepreneur just doing my local business and it's going on great. Still not start my business, but I want dirty business where me still have to be careful because I can, farming, animals like that and money animals and I know local goat business. Big thing. You understand? Yeah.
Right.
Like that. So, when she see all of this as success here, a 50 head of that certain animal, me have a matter of fact, let me say, 50 head of pigs. Come they can see, and if you can see somebody with 50 head of pig and know say, out of 50, me I go let go about 20. See? And how much money did they say? You have to carry on your friend and poor me never even know say she was like that. Until today, anywhere she see me, she walk, she stay far, she no come. No, if me I work and me there in other business places, she not come in there.
All right, now say a word, man. Big up yourself, you know, man, and thanks for sharing that one. I mean, she certainly was no friend, and she come around and I call you friendly, and then, you know, have all kind of problem and them look at something there, you see. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man, cool now.
And thanks for sharing that, cool. Aye. People not be careful, you know. Yeah? Sometimes you see how some people come and push up themselves and you're big and serious, you know. You have to balance your things certain way, you know. All right. And then before we go to the next person, the box full. Before we go to the next person, again, just want to remind you folks, like, I get it, you're in the chat and thing, and the next person, it's most likely me ignore. I tell people to pay the chat no mind, and you're going to have a diversity of opinions in the chat and whatever, and things like that. And you got people that'll beat me or whatever, you know, so no expressing yourself, you're going to have disagreement. That comes with the chat and whatever. But I just want to remind someone out there that I don't think someone are aware that I'm impatient. Again, I live in a time where everything must move fast. And then someone is selfish too. I don't know someone is selfish. You know, I want to hear what I want. So I want to understand that what I do here There's a lot of things going on where you don't know. I'm applying a whole bunch of principles where you don't know. And you know, one of them is to, you know, when people come in and talk, is to know how long to make them talk and make people present them thing. And then somehow, you know, like Blessed One, and somehow, you know, just impatient, and nothing wrong if you don't even have an opinion, you know. I have no problem with that. It's when you come in at the blood clot chatter, you know, just negative right through. Next. This. I want to not stop. I want to keep on and post it. I don't like it. You can't have an opinion, you know. You can't have an opinion. I not take that from you. We can't have a disagreement. But it's when you come in at the chat, I want to just, you know, it's, and again, I'm not afraid to tell you, I come from a Telegram time. A Telegram time me come from, right? Right? When we are write a email letter we send at that time that me come from. I mean have a little issue with this fast-paced thing. This it should be ready from yesterday, and this thing where people send me a text and then 1 minute after, oh, you know, answer me text. Me have a problem with them something there. I understand it. I have a phone time now and thing like that. But I come from a different time. Right? And there are times when people attack. Even yesterday, when the lady attacked and, you know, and shut up about, you know, the assault that she went through, there was some people there like, you know, somebody calling about something sensitive, but that woman just want to share something and she reach out to Raga, which is something why come on to me and she want, you know, talk about her things. Sometimes people have them things heavy upon them and them just, them not need nobody for judge them or even tell them what to do. Them just want to let it out, you know? And thing. But somehow, you know, just impatient and just caught up in now, you know. Well, I'm delete Blessed One. I think I'm block whoever this is. Let me see if I can find it. Alright. Okay, see it. Need for blocker. Which one I can block? Block account. Good. Bye. Alright. The account they get blocked. Moving right along. People, I'm not coming away for big friend, you know. Yeah, me say subscribe to my thing, but don't get it twisted, don't get it too far, whatever, all right? Anyway, so I could keep going, you know, all right then. Best friend Mixup or any other Mixup one have and thing like that. We're not going to waste time on certain people. We have a show for run down. All right, let's go. Best friend Mixup or any other Mixup one have. Naki B, big up yourself, see? Yeah, more enough respect to the people that more subscribe and think big up on yourself, man. Everything is everything. Hello, good night. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you good. Why go on?
Right. Blessed love. Mine, me there in England, yeah? I come at Jamaica yet. All right, about 17 years ago, my father passed away. In Port Antonio, Islington, Priestman River.
Yeah.
He married a woman and he met a will before he passed away.
And he make a will?
Yeah, before he passed away, he make a will, yeah?
Yeah.
Him said, me is the sole keeper of the will. Everything undone to myself. But let me tell you, I never ever put foot in Jamaica before in my life.
Oh. So
he left England and go to Jamaica and marry a woman. But her kids them are trying to, well, them already fraud the land them and all sort of thing. And the land them, the reason why them don't actually take away the land them is because the land them is in my father's name. All three of them. And I have to go and sign for the deeds and have them put in my name. But I am frightened. May I tell you the truth?
Mm-hmm.
I am frightened. I tell you for why. Because my wife, my dad's wife, kids,
Mm-hmm.
me don't know them. Me only see him wife twice. As he marry again in Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
Them a fraud the land. But here what, let me tell you something. Number one, you just say is a man, yeah? Come and not call no name. And number two is a woman. Them is brother and sister of my dad's wife, yeah?
No, hold on. When you say a man, number one, the man, and number two, the woman, of your dad's wife, I'm not sure what you meant. Just what you,
Me don't want to call the name then.
No, you don't call the name. But when you say have your dad's wife, what you mean by that?
Her kids, them.
Yeah.
Is them involved in the fraud of the land and all sort of things.
And when you say fraud of the land, what you mean? Them get fraud papers, we say them own the land?
Yeah. What happened was when my father write him will,
Mm-hmm.
for years me asked them for the will and them don't want to give it to me. Still them mother died about 5 years ago now. And what happened was I said, well, me not go down there until that land kind of air out and everything nicer
Mm-hmm.
and empty. But the last 7 months, me I make plans to go down. Because to be honest with you, I want to go back to Jamaica and finish the half a house where him build and live there. Yeah? But who are going now upon the land, me I second guess it. Right?
All right. Now a couple of questions. When you say your father, I think what you meant was that you're the sole beneficiary in the will. So everything was left to you. That is what you're saying, correct?
Yes.
And how do you know that?
My father tell me that. There was a will. Everybody knew about the will. He read the will. And I tell me, so this is what my father. And also, one of the brother and sister of the wife is telling me that your dad did leave a will.
All right. So you haven't seen the will?
I've never seen the will.
Okay.
But they've never given it to me.
And the jurisdiction for the will is in Jamaica, right? So it's under Jamaican law, correct?
Yes.
So you have never seen the will, but you're just going by where you think that. Did you know if the will was read?
Yes. And I knew which office it was read as well.
Okay. Did you contact that? And it's a lawyer, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you contact that office?
All right. I sent my sister down there she's been back here 3 weeks now. And I sent her down there for 2 weeks to look for my father will and to go to that.
No. You're telling me something that what you said to do. But again, let me just answer the question specifically.
Yes.
Were you ever in contact with the law office that read the will?
Not myself personally, but I sent my sister down there to ask them, did they work for my dad when he was alive? They said yes. Did the will reading?
No, hold on. You see that information that you're saying, it's cursory to the central point I want to make to you right now, okay? So I want you to listen to me carefully now, okay?
Okay, I'm glad you're speaking.
All right, I can, in a peripheral way, just be of some assistance here. Let me just be clear and tell you that I'm a lawyer, but I know nothing about Jamaican law. I'm a lawyer here in New York, and the law is jurisdictionally based. So Jamaican law is different from U.S. law, and it is certainly different from New York law. So I'm not an authority on it. I just want you to know you're not listening to a qualified voice on Jamaican law. I am not. I just want to make that disclaimer clear, okay? But what I want to say to you is that I wouldn't advise you to go to Jamaica and go talk to them people about that. That wouldn't be a good idea, because you don't know where you're going to run up in there. Yes, what I say? All right? So you have to be careful because, yeah, you're right. Jamaica stay away where. So if you want to have title to the 3 properties that you're speaking of,
Yeah.
then you need to identify the law firm that dealt with it, that read the will. And then they would have tried to reach you. I don't know why they didn't reach you, because they're obligated under the law to try to reach you if indeed all the properties were bequeathed to you. Okay? But given that this is what you're saying, then my advice to you is you have to start from where, the will is supposedly, have read, who supposedly read the will. And I them now have to tell you definitively, because just if me put on my lawyer hat, everything what you tell me so far is hearsay.
That's right, yeah.
Everything what you tell me so far is hearsay.
Right, yeah.
That not work under the law. Right? So you need to move out of the space of hearsay, and you have not even seen the will. I can't tell you how many times people say, but him did say, and yes, when they're going to court, you have this whole issue of testator intent, and if you can have some evidence to support that this is what the testator actually intended, yeah, you have a part of that what can happen in probate. But right now, you haven't seen the will.
Right.
So you really have no legal basis to say you even have the land. And then you don't know what Jamaican law is, what she's entitled to as a spouse,
Right,
in terms of communal property with the land, and how that fall with the will. You don't know them something there. So you need legal counsel on that. So your very next step, if you want to get this, is to contact the lawyers who read the will, the law firm who read the will. Because it's this how you're going to know, the right step to make, as opposed to my father did say, and them did this and that, and then pick me so and so. That not work under the law, yeah?
All right. So,
all right.
Right. Yeah. I do understand what you're saying.
All right then. So that are your next steps. See if you can reach a law firm, then I go juggle and take someone that call no and thing. But yeah, that has to be your very next step. All of the other stuff is irrelevant. When you send your sister down, well, you hear about the wife and whatever, you need to first definitively see what in the will, and you have to get that from the lawyer who read the will, okay?
Yeah, all right then.
All right then, Papa. Blessing.
Bless.
Cool. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, the law not busy with hearsay and them something there, The law don't care, The law just wants raw evidence. You understand? Raw evidence. This what the thing there. Yo.
Good afternoon, Raga.
And a good afternoon to you.
You know how long I talk to you?
Yeah.
Just get the chance. Thank God. Anyway, pertaining to what that gentleman just said, I was living with a man, you see?
Mm-hmm.
And he's a man he have a whole lot of children. Some died, some alive. Would you believe me say the gentleman wrote a will in 2001? When that gentleman wrote the will, I was living with him. I did not know nothing about the will. Couple of years me did it for with the man, right? And he has this daughter, think I'm first child. She never one day send the man a pin or ice cement from foreign. And she own a children's home, rotten rich girl. Anyway, when she find out say the father sick,
yeah,
she came to Jamaica the January. I don't remember the year. Came to Jamaica, she saw the father. She gave the father 10,000 Jamaican dollar. Did you how much years me and this man live for? That girl never give daddy a ice cement. But you come and see the father sick, and give the father $10,000. Father give it to me and say, take it go buy food, put in my house. Would you believe me? The other year after April, the girl came to Jamaica and tell me she go carry her father go to a family reunion. I trusted her. I believe the father said to her, when me come back, you come witness, can me get married to this woman? He said, yes, daddy, everything all right. You know, so the girl take the father came going to one nursing home and never came back the man at the yard. When me hear say the man dead, I could never go to. When me hear say the man, when somebody said to me, say, why you make the girl take the father? Me say, family reunion. He say, I came by the grill. Man say, no, man gone a nursing home for Barbican. So when me go up there, as God live it, you know how me get to see the man?
Oh.
Me have to go up there go tell like say me I want the daughter. And give them one different name. And so me get to go in, go look for the father, go look for the man. The son now, where me and him named upon the wheel. Him said to me one day, he said, come and we go up. Let me say to him, say, I cannot go in because if me tell them my name, them not allow me to go in. He said, come with me. Anyway, we go. When we go, he tell them one lie too. I say, my sister, we go in, we look for the father. And the father did a reason. About 2 days after, hearty man we attack to, you know. Very strong, you know. Yes, the man the hospital, unconscious, not attack. Say, no man, this don't sound right. The brother, the son go look for him. The son said to me, say, you know what, say, I kill my father. Because they give him bad injection and the girl pay them to give him bad injection at the nursing home. I say to him, you know, no proof, so love it alone. I never know, say the man did write a will, you know, for me and the son. And when the man did, somebody carry the will from you, you know. And would you believe?
Wait. Who was the somebody? Oh, by the way, this lady and I mean, I want y'all to be patient and respectful. And this is the last legal stuff we're going to deal with today. But so we just, you know, so just be patient, relax, and respectful, right? I mean, I run the show, so I want to just juggle with me. When it says somebody bring the will, who is the somebody?
The person that bring the wheel was the gentleman's driver that used to drive him around.
Why would his driver have his will? I just want you to know that is unusual. But why would the driver have his will and you don't know about the will?
I did not know anything about it until he died.
Right, but then why would you don't know anything? What was going on? Why you don't know nothing about the will, but him driver know about the will?
2 executors that were on the will, they knew about it. One of them said to me that he wrote a will, but he can't tell me what and what is in it.
So you don't see the will?
When I saw the will is when the man died.
Okay, so you read the will?
Yes, I read the will.
And then after him die, what? And in the will, you said the things left for you and him son?
And the son. And you know what the daughter did?
Yeah, what did the daughter do?
The daughter took me to court. And if I tell you something, you're not going to believe me.
What?
Judge gave the girl the access. We don't get nothing.
You not get nothing out of the will.
As God, not even a ice cement.
The son not get nothing.
None of we.
And you said the will was everything they left to you and the son?
Yes.
And the daughter get everything?
And it got court and the daughter get everything.
There are a lot of loose ends there and unanswered thing and whatever that it would take time to go into. And again, I don't know Jamaican. It's called estate planning law. I don't know Jamaican estate planning law, whatever. And how long you say you and the man was together?
20 odd years.
I want to never married.
No.
You never married in another 20 odd years?
No.
Okay, but you live together for 20 odd years?
Yes.
Okay. There's a matrimony law in Jamaica that is if you live with somebody for 5 years or more and you have certain other elements you have to fulfill, which based on what you said they would have fulfilled, you would be entitled to all the benefits of a wife.
Last year, the court finished and the judge undone everything to the girl.
I don't know why the judge did that and whatever, and Jamaica can be a tricky place to navigate at times, but I don't know why the judge do it. I don't know what were the rules that were being interpreted and how that how it fall in with the law and what the judge did. I don't know anything like that, but if the court gave it to her, you are entitled to some appeal there sometime, but I don't.
She sold the place. It shocked everybody.
Well, did you get a lawyer for yourself also?
Yes, I did.
And what that lawyer say?
I mean, not even know. We shouldn't get she.
No. You've been pretty clear about saying things now, so you can't say you not even know. I mean, is it that something happened or what the lawyer say? What the lawyer did say to you? What the lawyer said to you?
The lawyer was shocked herself.
No, but what she said to you, pursuant to your claim, what she said to you about what you think you're entitled to, what she said to you?
Hold on, give me a second. Leave it outside. When we finish, we take you up. Thanks. Jesus. Well, I did a little bit to me, Raga.
No. We'll do the show, so you can't have me hold on too long, yeah? There's more than...
leave it outside. May I come? Yeah, thanks. Sorry about that.
Yeah, I'm saying specifically, what did the lawyer say about your claim, about what you thought you were entitled to? What she said about that? What your lawyer said to you?
I tell you, she is so shocked. That's all she said to me. Say, I don't know what to say. That's all she said.
No. What did the lawyer say to you? Like, why you never get it?
I am telling you what she said. She said to me, I'm so shocked. I don't even know what to tell you. That's all she said.
Usually in those situations, she would say something like that after she said, the court made the decision on the basis that section so-and-so of the law gave priority to so-and-so, and like something like that, but
Okay.
You're just telling me like opinion. I just wanted to know what your lawyer would have said. You didn't get it because the court said so-and-so and so, but basically you're saying you don't know anything like that.
Raga, I was even listening for my lawyer to say something to me. All she said to me, I may repeat again, I don't even know what to say. What had happened? He said, just like that.
Okay.
And she said, yes.
Well, I'm sorry, because what you're communicating here is that a grave injustice was done to you, and thing, and and you think that something was unfair there. Anybody know if you live with somebody for 20 odd years, you're certainly entitled to certain rights, into the person's estate, particularly in Jamaica, where I know if you have a common law relationship for 5 years or more, you're entitled to all the rights and benefits of a wife. And usually the way those laws are written is that there is a set thing for the surviving spouse get. There's some set thing. Like in New York, there's a $50,000 thing in the estate. Once $50,000 that the wife or the husband, I forget that before anything start going, whatever type of thing. But I don't know those things, darling. So all I can do is just listen and sympathize with you here. Because I don't really know the law. I don't know Jamaican law, them something. And I certainly don't know all the details of your case here.
What even surprises me is the judge hand down the verdict today. Like today, Wednesday, and by tomorrow.
The land them sell. The land and the house sell, don't it?
We say by
no man, everything was in place, and so it sounds like something could have gone on this and thing, but again, I have no way of knowing these things, All right.
I'm still here, thank God. Me no bother put it on my brain,
All right, Putus, me hear you, cause you still have your life to live, don't it?
Exactly.
Yeah. And it's strange too that you said the son don't get anything, because if the daughter was entitled to something and the based on the daughter, then the daughter is a heir, it's the father's child, and so whatever the daughter, whatever law or whatever is there that entitles the daughter to get something, then the son should have gotten it too as another surviving child, unless somewhere in the line she presents something different that superseded what you said was the will and things like that. But again, I don't know anything about those things, darling. So there is no way I can, be helpful to you. All right. Okay. So I just wish you all the best, and you have your life to live and take care of yourself now, yeah?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a good night.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Cool.
Nice talking to you.
Yes, man. All right. Okay. Yeah, man. Cool. All right, people. No more legal stuff. No more legal stuff, okay? No more legal stuff, okay? And for those of you who don't, this is how talk shows happen. That's why I always tell people, say, me afraid of the first call, Always, you have no control over the first call of a show, but the first call, anytime you do a show like this, the first call, always set the tone. It trigger other things in listeners' mind, like, I want to talk about this based on the first call and things like that. So it's one of them things, but no more legal stuff. Yeah, but Cross must say love some of the legal stuff, though. Cross love legal stuff. But no more, all right? So we want some mix-up, right? And if you have anything for share on the personal side too, or whatever, nobody follow what you say, people in the chat. Say, if you have a local story time thing, for say, man, just tell about a thing when I go through with so and so. Uno come talk and me run the show. And if anybody go on like them want come bother people for them thing, we run them way. All right? Okay? All right then. Yeah, learning how to go on, my G. Learning how to go on. We know what the thing said. But whatever, best friend Mixup or any other Mixup, all right? Best friend Mixup or any other Mixup. And again, people, me just love to take a look at time and say, I am so enjoying this. Me love this. Me love what we are doing right there. So we love what we are doing right there. So right, I know, see? Watch it right. Big up the ANC, big up the SDC and thing like Sham, SDC we need to get a cabana Ragabash. The ANC, them a get a cabana and Sham. Them a go decorate it and go on with a bag of things. Sham, we need to get a cabana at the a Ragabash. A liquid link me and say want him one a cabana too. So we see what go on this one and them thing there. But Sham, SDC people we need about 10 people for all a cabana because the cabana them a look a bit, you know, the price and such. You have to have enough people that pay a fee. All right. SDC, we need to step up. No, big and serious, we need to step up. Tall herb, we know we need a cabana. We're going to figure out. Dog bite, just come join the SDC and done. Because we need, you know, we need a cabana. Yeah, we need a cabana because them, watch out, when you see this, but Raga afraid. We're not afraid, but we don't know, say we're not go plan and all them sitting there and all them, whatever. What SDC mean? Oh, SDC mean the spray them crew cross. We have them in a war. Me, I spray them crew. Them a ANC, Ansness crew. Right? And anybody want to farm any other crew, no farm any other crew to and thing or whatever. But, you know, we at them. Because them are wicked. Well, on. No, I'm ringing turkey good as.
Raga want
Turkey good as well, I'm afraid. Warrior! Yeah. No, when you don't care when nobody wants. So when you come in my spirit, just get lift up, you know, and all them stuff, you know. I don't care nobody wants. Me don't know you are my friend. Yeah.
I get one look at drama on my bite. Somebody have to pay $10,000 quote already in a Raga.
Jesus God, tell
early 2000. Bite somebody for their finger.
Jesus God, turkey good as tell about it. Tell about it, yeah.
Raga, when me did the young, you know me 18, 19, we used to talk to this man. That man was my first man, you know, but the man did live with the woman. As you tell us, I don't know what make people man love follow me, so you know.
So your first man did live with female woman?
Yes, Raga, that was the first man.
Yeah. Like first, like
live with the woman.
First, him first, Ray?
Yes, Raga, first.
First. All right, go on.
Yes, so me always have some little cousin, you know, where always jealous of me, you know, Raga. Me say one of them used to get me, I don't know how they get the woman number, used to call it woman. Then the time they win a cell phone in a phone box, they used to buy a phone card and call it woman. Anytime they see me and the man, Raga.
The cousin them do that?
Yes, Raga. It was one of my cousins, me not call no name.
All right, then go on.
And me say, Raga, then call the woman and tell the woman, say me a deal with the man and make the woman see me one day, a man, they will have pointing finger in my face and look out me in a Raga. And me say, me tell the man, Raga, God forgive me. Sometimes you see, man. Me say the man give you one a piece of beat.
Bulan, you tell the man say she come and point up in your face.
Yes, the woman, the baby mother too, and give the woman a piece of beat and nearly kill him.
Him beat the baby mother for you, because the baby mother did step to you.
Yes, Raga, he beat
Damn.
And me say, Raga, that the cousin they know one day with that person where I got sent to listen, you know. And me say, Raga, you know them big phone we call fridge?
Yeah, I remember.
My best cousin did have one of that phone there and she left the phone, give me a gun a town. And me carry the phone with me the day I got poor us. Raga?
Yeah.
The man used to run taxi to him and me say, Raga, he wanna win a taxi and me say, I grab him, because she in the front seat and I take the phone and I start beat her in the car. You see, Raga, and me say, my finger go slip in my mouth. Raga, bite her on the big finger. Hold
on. Turkey good, tell me now. What you mean by the finger go slip in your mouth?
Raga, you know when you fight somebody and somebody put you under your face and the finger go slip in my mouth, Raga, bite her on the big finger, Raga, the finger, I don't know the finger well. Raga, me bite in, Raga.
You sink your teeth in it.
Then go station go report you and then can me go court, Raga. And when me can go court and me explain and tell the judge what happened. Raga, the judge said me have to pay for the bite. Raga, 10,000 them the day there. Raga, me tell you say not today, you know. Me talk 20 odd years, you know.
Right. And $10,000 was a little change back in them days. Yeah, was a little change back in them days. And thing
Yes,
about them.
man. But Raga, them days of 10,000 hard to find.
Yes.
It's hard them time, them, I tell you. And
So,
me say,
but
Raga,
hold on. I just want to be clear. The person who you rush wasn't the baby mother.
no, man.
It was a
the person
cousin.
we rush at the person we call her and tell her. Say, me
All
and you
right.
want a deal.
All
So,
right
Raga,
then.
I give it to him, you see, Raga. And you
Yep.
know, say, Raga, that person, no, Raga, I mean, one a blood family, you know? Me mean, me one a blood family do that to me, Raga.
Was it a cousin? A cousin?
Yes, Raga, was my cousin.
Yeah, your
Close
cousin.
relative too.
First cousin?
Yes, Raga, two sister picking.
Two sister picking and she go bust pan you down.
And she go bust for me, Raga. And the man keep on tell me, say, I call the woman, you know, that's why, you know, Raga, me give it to him, you know, Raga.
What you mean him keep on a call the woman? What you mean?
He keep on call the woman and tell the woman, say, me and the man a deal. So the man knows, so each time the man go in the woman and nag him and him and ask him who I tell him, and she eventually go tell him. And so make me know, Raga.
So why the cousin did that do that though? Why the cousin feel
Raga,
like
not
chef
tell
and
us
boy?
everybody named the boss, he didn't want him.
Oh, because Sandy, me I look on your picture and Sandy, Turkey good at me I look on your picture and like, you know, and somebody say you look good. Somebody say you look good. So you're good at, you're proper good as for true then, right?
Raga, me little bit and slim, you know, but you see most of my video then when me make on TikTok, me make it when me down walk. Sometimes me head pull up, me no business what me want to make them, Raga. But Raga, I am a very nice looking person.
Chum, I love what you said. I said that again. Say it.
Raga, me have one little face, I want little straight nose, Raga. Raga, me no
Bye.
I miss Raga, you me phone did not blow up last night, Raga.
Yeah.
That time when my family them a call me, you know, when you say somebody say, oh, them have the ticket or whatever, you know, Raga. My family them up on the show, I mean, they know, you know, Raga, them all see record the show. I said, they can't give me. And Raga, my family them was so upset, and I say, that person, if something happened to me, and me come and talk my story what happened to me, or that person reach with text and I tell you, say them have a book for me. But Raga,
yeah, they say that might be your file.
I'm the file for me, Raga. Raga, me wouldn't tell that somebody say right enough him ambition is lower than a 15-degree bullfrog. Because there's no way you know this type of person me be. And you go boom and sometimes you have me file.
No. Well, you say it's lower than a 15-degree bullfrog.
Bullfrog. At a bullfrog now no ambition, Raga. Raga,
No.
there's somebody that have no ambition. Me
no.
text you that for first place, Raga.
No, me
Now,
not
Raga,
forgot.
it
Yeah.
has to be one of my enemy, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
First and foremost, Centulis people do not have good character from their great grandmother come back.
Oh, no, careful. You can't say that. You can't say that about everybody will come from your own community. You can't say them not have good character.
They not have nothing about them no good, Raga. I can't tell you that. Them have one fault, Raga. I mean, ever know somebody business can be fast like that. Raga, and when them that foreign Raga no live a Jamaica, me know what going over there, Raga, because somebody have to tell me.
They're not the same thing you do with them when them link me and whatever this and that, cause them in a business to people business
but
too.
Raga, hear the problem now. They must text you and tell you yet they can't come forward. So Raga, my family them in a chat and listen for them too, you know, Raga.
Yeah. No, well, yeah, cause yeah.
My cousin reach a yard long time and log on for the show and listen out, you know, Raga. Then listen for me, you know, Raga.
Yeah.
Tell me, you know. If anybody say anything in the for a year last night, they say they not come off a Raga show, you know, they must put down funny, you know.
Bye. Oh, you mean? Yes, so nice.
Raga, may I tell you, tell you.
No, because me I tell you, the person link me and them are done and them are go in and a talk, but and you know, them make some allegations about you and your man and me I mention that what them say uno do and whatever.
Raga,
so but you know all I know. So yeah, go on.
So me meet my pity them, Raga, the same month me pity them father. You see me meet pity them father the September. The same night me give the boy me breed, Raga. Raga, if you is a pregnant woman, Raga, what kind of thing a man could have do with pregnancy? And Raga, by me have the first one, by the first one reach 1 year and had, Raga, me breed with the second one. What me could have do with a man? Having baby, what me could have left me here and go, Raga?
No, me just why you know. And one day me go. You see, true, me get so many. It's the weirdo and I have to go look for it. But one day me go show it on the show. Me go try scroll down and find it, and then said this is what So I just said to the person, cause me have to careful with them something, and me have experience with them something. Yeah, people who send things to you privately for gas you up, and then for send you out there for so on. So sometimes I do that playfully with some things and what I come know me I do. But in general, me always say, all right, you have your thing and whatever. The person come out and say what them say, and you say something in response to what the person say publicly. So you come out public too and say what you say, And then they gave me an indication that they would, but me never hear nothing back from her.
Raga, tell the person say make sure in cleaning dirty linen before in coming.
Yeah.
Make sure.
Yeah.
Tell you.
Yeah.
Me just come in for work still. Me go there and listen. Me go do look washing,
Yeah.
Morning I work thing again. So
yeah.
Me there for the show. Me I listen.
Well, so we are go cook later. What?
Me not cook, Raga. Me son a 20-year-old in cook. Look in brown stew chicken and white rice, yeah.
Okay, nice. So that you go slap where you know.
So me go slap with that and drink some hot tea and soap up some white clothes and something and go and listen to the show.
All right. Cool. All right. Blessings.
Yeah,
cool.
man.
Okay, cool.
I listen up.
All right. Yeah, Jimmy, me see that. All right, yeah, Jimmy, me see that. No. Jimmy, and people, just relax. Okay, Jimmy, we're good. All right, Jimmy, you have to be careful, It's the foolishness start and whatever, right? And there's all kinds of games people play. See, it is a fake page, right? But the fake page trigger on a while ago, so you see how many people, Yeah, all right? So relax, all right? And I just want to remind you, there is a direct correlation between success, ascendancy, rise up, doing well, and certain energies, It doesn't matter who you are or what it is, Once you do well, you gotta have people who are happy for you, and you gotta have people who just keep up foolishness. It's inescapable. It's just important that you manage that, effectively, and it's that you're aware, so you don't get triggered and draw out and whatever. So there are things that I don't know over here that I depend on you to teach me, And I'm just very thankful that many of you have been so patient and forthright in educating me on the dynamics and the culture over here on TikTok. And at the same time, I filter out stuff. There's a lot that goes on over here that, I don't get involved with. It's just not my thing. I'm a big man with certain things, And then even some of them look at games, So you see people are coming, and see what go on with the content. Yeah. You see the brother where they come in and him build a page, and what him call the page Ragashanti's son. And when we never explain to him with that, it's deliberate because him build a page right after me I tell Uno say, don't depend on the notifications to come to my show. Just come over TikTok and put in Ragashanti. And that me say to Uno, Don't depend on the notifications over TikTok. Just come over TikTok, put in Ragashanti somewhere around 6 o'clock or after 6 o'clock and come straight to the show. Why him do that? When you put in Ragashanti, Feen page are going to come up too. And some people are going to say Ragashanti and just like him, or whatever. At them little games that them do. You just have people who sit down and them wait for people, build them thing, and then you have these other people who just for them thing is just a parasite off of it, you know? So you gotta have them little games there, and then you gotta have people who, and you have people, you know, them used to keep dance, you know, and when them a keep dance at Jamaica, you know, if them say somebody else a keep dance, you know, them call police and tell lie to police, but we're going over the other people them dancing, because them not want for them dance. And them people do them something there, you know. People do them something there, right? So when I like over here you have 15 million people, so everybody can just in them look a corner. And if your mind progressive, you realize that enough there for everybody over here, right? So you don't need to fight against nobody or watch out somebody or anything like that. But you just have these people, them just wait for see your thing arise, and them either want it or want piece of it, or them want stifle it and get rid of it, okay? And then play all kind of little games, all right? So, I'm telling you from now, you're not going to get it from it. It won't be the last. You're going to have more come up. All me ask, you know, if you see anybody out there abuse the thing, particularly with content, me just want to make me know, so. Come on, they like what we used to do first time and just low it and think, because you give them an inch, them take a mile. Right? So, yeah, again, you know, I just want to be clear. I have no problem with people who do a little thing with a mix-up here and them do a voiceover and, you know, with Trevi and Jeremy and them people there do a whole heap of people post a mix-up here, mix-up there. But not like when Mr. Amanda did I do him just I take everything and I put on film thing and I collect money and fight and I post it before me even post my thing. I'm madness that, you mad? When I sit down and make nobody so I put the word out. If I move, yeah, to all on the mucky fungus people. To all on the mucky fungus people, anyone to come here and move extra team, you know, step to the, you know, whether certain way or cease and desist through the law, and I don't look at mucky fungus people. Anyway, big up the mucky fungus people down where Turkey good as live, yeah? I mean, I say mucky fungus like for this, you know, it's just the name, man. It's just the name, you know. But all I won't live over mucky fungus. Big up on yourself too, you know, because somebody pitney too, you know, just, yeah, love and blessings to you too, all right? All I mucky fungus crew them. Large up on the large up, everything is everything proper.
Hello?
Yeah, greetings, where are you going?
Good night, Reggae. How you doing?
I'm good, man. Straight.
I've been listening for a while and first time caller, so I'm a bit nervous.
That's okay. Don't worry, you know, Master Raga will take care of you. You're in good hands, okay? All right?
Okay. Well, my mix-up is not with, like, jokes and stuff, but me and my older sister, we are jackets.
Oh, that go tell me about it.
Yeah, so when I was 18, my real father came to me and told me who was my... Okay, it's mix-up, I'm sorry. My sister's father, who everybody know to be her father, who's a Rasta, we'll just call him Rasta.
Yeah.
He was my mother's high school boyfriend, so he was known to be my mother's first child's father. And
right.
6 years later, I was born to another man. That's what she claims.
Mm-hmm.
But when I was 18 years old at a family reunion, he came to me, my sister's dad came to me and was like, you know, Daddy love you. Because over the years, I referred to him as Daddy because he was, you know, he always showed interest in me. And if anything he bought for my sister when we would visit Jamaica, he would always bring for me. If he calls America and called to talk to my sister, he's calling to ask to talk to me. He's asking for school pictures. And my mother would never send him pictures of me. So he was very persistent. So at 18, he told me that. And I asked my mother about it. And she got very defensive. And she cursed me and, you know, telling me that, oh, if I think she's a whore, you know, so she don't know who breed her, whatever. So I said, okay, I'll leave it alone. But over the years, I've always called him Daddy. People tell us how much we look alike. And long story short, my older sister now, who's 6 years older than me, she got some news from someone that she was doing some filing for our father, and she, within the filing, she got news that was saying, hey, like, what you don't know older than you, like, he's not her father, you understand? But the drama is whose name started calling, like, behind who might actually be my sister father, like certain family member husband whose name should I never call, you understand? So my sisters find out now that after 43 years that her real father, who she grew to know, he's not her father.
After 43 years.
After 43 years, my sister found out 2 years ago.
And then the name we call says her actual father is the husband of a relative?
It was thought to be a husband of a relative, but it was the husband's nephew. So it was my aunt's husband nephew.
Is it aunt by your mother's side?
Aunt by my mother's side, and her step uncle now, his nephew, is my sister father. So my sister and our relatives is cousin on two sides. My aunt and uncle kids is our cousin from mother and father side because it's two first cousin kids.
No. So what I want to understand is, when you say your aunt, so you're talking mother, sister, right?
No, my mother's aunt, then my grandmother's sister. So it's my grandmother.
Oh.
We just, so Jamaica, we just the aunt. But
Okay. No, yeah, because that would make it even like wow type of thing. So it's your grand aunt.
Yeah.
So your grand aunt's son.
My grand aunt's husband, nephew.
Oh, okay. So it's not. Yeah, okay. So, okay, your grand aunt's husband.
So my sister father's supposed to call the guy uncle, and my mother's supposed to call the woman auntie. And then they had a child now, which is my sister. But nobody thought that was her, that was the father, because Rasta, who was the high school boyfriend, what name was calling on the pregnancy. And remember I told her the Rasta came to me and told me that he's my father, but he was known to be my sister's father.
But he wasn't your sister's father either.
No, he ended up not being her father. When my sister did a DNA test 2 years ago, she found out that who is her real father. So that now gave me the courage now to finally do a DNA and find out my truth. So I had a conversation with my mother, and I told her that I want to find out the truth now, so I'm gonna go do it. And her response to me was, if I go and do the test, that she's done with me. She don't want to have anything else to do with me.
Gaslighting you. Gaslighting you. So she was being selfish.
Yeah, but it's been almost 2 years now. August coming is going to make 2 years that we haven't spoken.
That you and your mother haven't spoken?
Yeah.
Because of this thing from that time when you and I talk, you don't talk since that time?
I did. I went to Jamaica last year, January, and I did my DNA test. I did siblings DNA test. I didn't even use the man. I used one of his kids, and I did the DNA test. We sent it off. She gave her email address. I gave mine, and a couple of days before, me and my mother's birthday is 2 days apart, and a few days before our birthday, I received the email. So I reached out to a cousin, a very close cousin of ours, and I asked her, hey, I really want to talk to my mother. I need to talk to her about something. She hasn't spoken to me, but this is something important. So my cousin put me on hold and called my mother on the next line and said, hey, she want to talk to you. She's like, I don't want to talk to the dirty girl, this B, whatever, and start cussing me. And I was like, okay. I got angry, and I made a TikTok, and I posted my DNA results, and I posted it on my family line. And all of the elders and stuff were very upset with me, saying I'm a disgrace to the family and a whole bunch of nonsense.
Well, and you're saying you were a disgrace to the family. Okay, let's be clear. What did the DNA say? Let's be clear.
The DNA proved that the Rasta was my father. So all the years that he was saying he was my dad, the one who wasn't my sister's father is really my father.
Is really your... Wow.
He's really my dad. But for years, he's always been telling me, yo, I'm your father. I love you. He's always been in my life, for years.
So, hold on. The family them vexed with you because you post something and said, this is my real father. I'm going to find my real father.
I posted it to the family line. Even a couple of family members who said, well, they knew the truth. But because of my mother's, how she is in the family, she cuss and, so people kind of scared of her.
Oh.
Yeah. So
No,
they
but
don't
I
want
just
no.
want to be clear. What they mad about you is that they go say,
That I put it out there. I should have never
yeah,
put it out there.
because so
And then she
so
started
your mother
saying,
been a tell her this lie all this time and whatever,
yeah.
and then you find out the truth now. So they're not concerned with the lie and the deceit that you have been subjected to all your life.
No,
Their
they're just
thing is like
saying
they go reveal this
bring
thing. Yeah, you
disgrace to
should.
the family. Yeah.
Yeah. But what do you think about that though? That their argument, like, what if one of them say, well, we understand where you go through, but you shouldn't go so far with it and go on the internet with it and whatever. Because family have problem and all family have secrets and salacious thing what happen and thing, but don't bother go on the internet with it, man, because you go shame everybody now and thing like that. What do you think about that argument that they would make?
That argument is like, I've had some people that have said that to me, and some family members said, well, you try to reach out to her. So this is the way she likes social media. So this was, you needed to put the information out there. You understand? So how I feel about it is, honestly, I don't really care about people's opinion, because I'm just like, I really wanted it to be a private matter, and reach out to her. But she continued cursing me, and she even went as so far to say she wished me and my sister would just die. You understand? So when she made that comment now, I decided that my 2 children, I don't want her a part of their life, because I have to protect them. You understand? From somebody who's going to go so far as to wish death on me. You understand? So, and a lot of people don't agree with me, but a lot of people agree to say, protect my children first and foremost. You understand?
So, and her thing is like wishing that you and your sister die is on the basis that she did what she thought that she had to do for whatever reason. And because both of you now, which is not unusual for children who reach that, like, I want to know the truth, kids go through that and they want to know. But her thing is that, it's such a disservice to her that it's about her. And that, in revealing the truth about this, it's going to make she look bad. And because she going to look bad for choices that she made about her children in terms of the lies she told them and stuff like that. For that, now she wants to wish your demise, you and your sister's demise. That is not good.
Yeah.
That is not good at all. That is not good at all.
Yeah.
So the rest of your father now,
yeah,
and the sister find out who your father is, which is your mother, auntie, husband, nephew.
Yes. So you would say basically cousin-in-law then?
Cousin-in-law.
Yeah.
Whatever. And then now, also, you, over the 2 years at different times, you had to reach out to your mother, but she don't want to talk to you.
Yeah, I reached out to her. At one point, she went on a family vacation with other family members. And when we just received the news about my sister's DNA, like, when you're like something, you're just like, it got you revved up, says that you can't contain it. So we reached out to her, and she was very upset. She said I ruined her appetite. Was it somebody that died? And I said, nobody died, but it's some real important news that we really want to talk to you about, like, because we're hurt. We're there, like, breaking down, crying, everything, like.
Right.
And all we wanted to do was speak with her, and she was very disgusting towards us. Like, she hung up the phone on us. We're ruining her vacation. My cousins went so far as to tell me that I ruined their vacation. I had no right to call, and that was not the time or place. I said, do you understand, says the news that we just got? And we called our mother. Our mother could have stepped aside, take 5 minutes and just talk to us. That's all we asked her. Yeah, but it went from bad to worse. And over the 2 years, she have slandered my name. I lost weight. I have a 5-year-old and I have a 9-year-old, and I gained weight. And I got very big. She's someone that would say, "Oh, you don't think you're too big? You're too short. You're gonna drop down from a heart attack." So I lost a lot of weight, and within my weight loss, she started telling people that I'm a crackhead. Yes, I take drugs, and that's the reason for my weight loss. That is, yeah.
Wow. So what what is your impression of your mother now, given all of that you just explained? What is your characterization of her?
My characterization of her is, sad to say, like, she was like a monster in ways, and it's not just this situation why I would say that, is because growing up with her, like, if she has a disagreement with family members or friends, my role in that would be I have to cuss anybody that she doesn't talk to. And if I don't cuss them, that means I don't love her. You understand?
Oh,
You understand?
okay,
So it's
right.
like, if once a family member doesn't talk to her, yes, when it's your cuss the dirty girl. So if it's her mother, if it's our sister, once it's somebody that she's not talking to, I am not supposed to go around them and talk to them. I must defend her at all time because I have to like show my love for her.
I mean,
So,
that sounds like a really narcissistic, self-centered, self-absorbed, toxic person. Yeah, that's what you're describing. I mean, I don't know your mother, but I'm just going by the description that, you know, to tell that to your children and what, you know, that type of thing is,
yes.
that's troubling.
Yeah, and when I do that for her, she tells people, yes, it's a look at dirty girl, now no man, and she love cuss people, she out, and then, so she makes me out to be the monster, but then when it's time to defend her, hey, yo, you gotta defend me. Show them that you love your mother. I'm the only person you have. Nobody. She went and stuff all the time that my sister hate me. My sister would kill me in my sleep. When we were growing up, she would play siblings against one another. She said, yes. She would kill you in your sleep. She don't like you. She did the same thing to my little brother, telling him that I would hurt him in his sleep, so don't go around me when siblings have their little rivalry and their little fuss and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so she plays us against each other, and I just want you guys to love each other, but behind our back is no, she hates you, that one hates you, that one don't like you. You understand? And she wanted us to think she was the only safe person for us, that she loved us.
Yeah, the manipulators, that's what they do.
Yeah.
They turn you against everybody else and then say, you know, I'm the only one here for you type of thing, or whatever. Wow, that's a very toxic environment to be raised in, you know.
Yeah.
And things like that. Now that you're older, you can think about these things and understand it better.
I think about it, but that makes me like I'm trying to fix the broken version of me, because all people know of me is to like, I fly off the handle, I cuss, whatever. But I don't bother people. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
I'm very quiet. I'm an introvert. But if you mess with me, I'm 4'11", but when you mess with me, I turn into this big bulldog. You understand?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
So now when she want to disrespect me now, and the same bulldog now is standing up against her now, I'm the worst person in the world. Till our family members stop messing with me because of her. You understand? Certain people keep her from me.
Mm-hmm.
But she teach me like to kind of manage my own, to say like, it's me against the world. You understand?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Okay, but you wanted to know the truth, and and you got the truth now. And before you go, what's the relationship between yourself and your recognized dad now? What is it?
My daddy, oh my God, we talk regular. My kids talk to grandpa regular.
Oh.
Regular. I know all my siblings. When I went to Jamaica, I got to meet my older brother for the first time.
Wow.
Yes. And
How was that? How was that? How was that? How was that?
It was great. Like, I smiled the whole time, and people were telling us how much we look alike. We have the same smile. All
oh, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, so it was refreshing. You understand? Because it's like losing certain people from my mother's side. I gained so much from my dad's side. You understand?
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Well, no, but so some good came out of it, and some happiness came out of it, and some satisfaction came out of it, and things.
Yes.
So, respect to you for that,
Yes, and my sister's relationship with her new dad has been great over the years. Now, the past 2 years, they have a great bond. They visit each other, and she has 2 other siblings from his side that she also has a relationship with now.
Right. Blessings, man.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, man. Take care here.
All right, you too, Raga. Thanks.
Yeah, man. Cool. Mm-hmm. 1 second, the people, because I think let me just me forget you pay something, Oh, hold on there. 1 second. What me I forget you pay something. So me.
Oh, you have to disconnect. I can't disconnect.
Oh, yeah. I'll do that. Let me do that.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. People, just give me a second there. I may forget you pay something now. Which one of them something? Alright, let me play this. Put that one there. Just give me 1 second, people, man. I'm coming back, okay?
Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it. right? You talk about some girl where throw the man partner and nah get no draw. You talk about some girl where wife up the man and the man nah wife up them. You talk about some girl where hype up in the dance and nah have no bed. You talk about some girl where go out every night and hungry and kill them. You talk about some girl where hot and them pick me hungry. You talk a crocus in a ragga. So we have got talk in a ragga. We have got talk a crocus with scandal in a ragga. The girl them listen Ragashanti. And this me I say, and you are the wife. Tell some girl go look alive, come and fight over man and they need not power. Go look alive. Tell some girl you are the girl them will follow Ragashanti. Hey, listen me now. Make the free paper bun. So get wild when you see her come. Cause she your man chick buy her a biscuit and then use her fi Ragashanti girl them. Hang on for your man, cause your man can perform. Can't hold your man, then woman you fi go on. Hang on for your man anyhow, anyway. Ragashanti girl them. Listen me now man. A girl a tell her to leave you alone. Cause if her body did good, the man will come home. Take the man because you hotter than she. Ragashanti girl them. Why? You never look a girl man, I him look you. And they don't know why a girl can say I do. And you no beg a friend, and you no scrape pipe up. You no wear a shoes and all. Ragga girl them. When them see you why your man now walk. And I hug up and I laugh and talk. Girl, you know it on them heart. So just cock up your one and show the wedding band and make it on them. Ragga girl that a mad them. The girl them a follow Ragashanti. We up on the one and sing. Say hang on for your man, cause your man can perform. Can't hold your man then woman you fi go on. Hang on for your man anyhow anyway. Good man fi days no. Ragga girl you never catch a girl. Yeah, say oh she come a chat. And I go like say yeah she a put in your pot. And no chat a girl fi chat. Tell her fi come touch and make you mash up the buckle. Tell a girl say them just can't take your man. Tell them fi go from your little a go school you want the man day. Them can't take your man. Tell them fi go on. The girl them will follow Ragashanti. Listen me. No girl can make you flop. Never fight over man say oh yeah. Sex appeal you never possess that. The girl them have your furniture in your house. Tell you have your education, inspiration. And you know say you not depend on man. Short it big and bold. I independent you them. Tell them say you not suck it up if you wear no name brand. I want do them, I want do them. The girl them follow Ragashanti. Say whoa. The girl them not beg nobody say lad. I want do them. What a piece of mix-up. Ragashanti where you go so far? A crocodile bag of thing with scandal you are creating. Go on alone me Raga.
One Richie feelings and thing. But I mean I bring back, you know, I return this thing, the iPad Pro. The iPad Pro. So I get him in the box. Him say him can't take it so I have to box it up and thing and whatever. So you can't carry it, go drop it off anyway. Them say iPad Pro have to return directly to UPS. So I'm going to deal with that tomorrow. All right, I'm back. People do remember, I always say she dance down the place. Cheryl, big up yourself, you know. And people do remember, you know, Ragabash, you know, Saturday, September 20th, my birthday party. People want to come. All of my party them nice. I want to roll out and come support and just, you know, all a joy and sitting, get your tickets. Call your gingeration. Call your gingeration. Relatives, friends. And then you make them forward and thing and just make we have a nice little TamFam sitting again. Saturday, September 20th at Amazura. Do you remember that tickets are available all over New York City and they're all available at eventbrite.com. Eventbrite.com. Just put in Ragabash and then put in New York. New York, I keep you have to put in that. And of course, it's in Queens. Amazura in Queens, all right? That's how the thing there. Saturday, September 20th, save the date, lock the date and thing. All time farmers forward and thing. And we have a nice little party. Glamour Wayne, DJ Rai, DJ Chris Cross, a whole host of other selector, Echo Vibe Sound, Jimmy Q, Brown Bass, and the whole works and thing. And I don't know, say, be a niceness and thing. See, not big up yourself, you know. Tickets are available in the Bronx at People's Choice Furniture on Boston Road. Also at Rockatoon Restaurant at 218 and White Plains. Again, 218 and White Plains. Tickets are in Queens at VP Records on Jamaica Avenue, VP Records on Jamaica Avenue, and also at Genesis Restaurant on Hillside Avenue, Tickets are also available at Topaz Restaurant in Brooklyn, that is at Utica and Flatlands. And tickets are also available at Yard Style Restaurant. That's at 105 and Flatlands in Brooklyn. 105 and Flatlands in Brooklyn and thing. And do remember also, Goddess, big up yourself. And do remember that, again, tickets are available online and you can get your tickets directly from me. And you know, so when the show done, I'm going to call someone who already linked me about ticket. Chumpy, I'm going to call you. Squeaky, I'm going to call you. I'm going to call several and thing. I want to say big respect to the people who say can't come, but who buy tickets. I'm going to give them ticket there, right? Again, big respect to the people who can't come, but who not going to buy tickets and thing. More say enough blessings and thing for them type of support there, all right? Dr. Mac and thing, you have to send your number for me call you, right? I think you call the other number, you know. I think you call the other number, you know. I think you call the TamFam travel number. And thing you want to call, just send me a text. Okay, send me a text. 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. Just send me a text to that number and think if you want to get your tickets, okay? In the meantime, my best friend Mixup or any other Mixup wanna have, best friend Mixup or any other Mixup wanna have, inside Ragashanti live on the big bad TikTok platform. Be things are going over here festive. Yeah, I want big up all like people and big up all like people who grew up with a chimney. I want to not do chimney anymore. Big up on yourself. All I want to grow up with chimney. All I want to do that for empty chimney at morning time. Big up all of the people who know about peel. Some of the young people don't know about peel. Right? Some of the young people don't know what peel is. See, Miss Independence said, Jesus. Colleen said, me. See that? You have in our age group to know what peel is. Nobody not gonna know what peel is, right? Because a lot of women who still wear slip. Yo, well, on, is it that slip hardly wear right now? Let me see what the ladies them say. Slip. You somebody put slip and put question sign. I want that. Let me tell you something. When I talk about I want that slip, no woman did touch road back in the day without a wear slip. Let me say that again. No woman never touch road back in the day Jamaica and have on them slip. Of course, you can't wear slip with pants. Now, what was slip? They have to wear them underwear, right? You have to have on your underwear. But you have to have on one. Yo, isn't it interesting that slip, the way you slip, the material and whatever, it was like lingerie. But it wasn't considered lingerie, though. It's something we got from the British. We say Carol Lisa, even in them yard, them wear it. Hold on. Women still wear slip? Let me see. Do women still wear slip? Let me see what I want to say. Do women still wear slip? No. I say one yesterday. Be a no. Yes, a couple yesterday. Yes, it's a few yesterday. Some yesterday, I don't know. Alright, people, for those who don't know, Munchie and all, and Nakita and them people, and the young people, let me tell you something. It's something we got from the British, right? So woman for wear underwear, you know, because that is a big cultural thing, you know. Say you must always have on clean underwear when you go road. Always drink something for take off the gas and make sure you have on clean underwear. But over the slip, they were required to, over the underwear, the panty, them women were required to wear slip. And the slip was a thin, kind of silky type of material. And some of them did have like some little embroidery thing at the end of them too and thing like that. Yeah, and then the woman them used to wear it around the house too. So it was okay for for where you slip around the house or even in the yard, woman will have them slip over them underwear and thing. But there was this big thing that Jamaica got from the British that if you have your underwear, but it's almost like the underwear must be protected. When girls were going to school, them for have on them underwear, but them did for have one thicker underwear over the underwear what they name bloomers. You hear me, I say? In a hot Jamaica, and all of them hot country, they were former British colonies and whatever. Them have to wear the underwear, but them did have to have on, and the underwear usually make with what we know as underwear cloth, lace or tin or cotton or whatever and whatever. But them did have to have the bloomers now, and the bloomers never make with underwear cloth. The bloomers was like, it's almost like the bloomers was the material of them school uniform, a similar material. And we as boys, we used to upset with bloomers. Because what we used to do at school, we used to get broken glass and put on the top of our shoes and call the girl and go around them and position our shoes and look on the glass and then we can see them panty. And that would like get we going and get we excited because we see them color panty and we nice and all them something there. But can you imagine the disappointment where you go and you set up your glass on your crepe, on your booger and whatever, and you set up your glass on your thing and then you go up on your position and thing and when you look on the glass and one big hole and the bloomers them did bloomy, The bloomers them did kind of baggy. Well, probably that's not the word to use since we are talking about baggy, You can say, that's a baggy. Because baggy is a type of state, So baggy can be an adjective and it's also a noun. But the bloomers was like baggy and puffy, you know what I'm saying? And so when we saw bloomers, it was just such a disappointment, because we want to see underwear, them days, your boy pick now, you see a girl underwear. What? Who can chat to you? Your boss. Them days you see a girl underwear and thing, you're a star boy. Yeah, me see her pink underwear, me see her red underwear, yeah. And thing, nobody could chat to you. Right? So there was a never-ending quest to see the girls them underwear. And there was a never-ending quest for the girls to ensure that we don't see their underwear. And them days there, when girl pick me and go school, Let me tell you something, man. There was a thing about being neat. It was institutionalized, it was cultural and whatever, but Jamaican schoolgirls were like, there was this thing about being neat, and them ever fix up themselves and then pull on them blouse, and the ear of it neat and perfect. It was this constant thing with neat and thing, and the bloomers have to set right and all them something there, When I tell you, this a girl pick me, I go school, did neat back in them days, and woman, they just obsessed with making sure so them thing clean and sharp, the girls, them, That's different now, though. Thing them different now. And the thing they set different back in them days and whatever. But slip now was a big thing, And whatever. And, but it's the woman that really a beat slip there. Hey, you see in them days, You see, when you hear say a woman no wear underwear, that woman was persona non grata. Not in uptown, Uptown people, they cool with that. But down where we come from, anytime you hear say a woman no wear underwear, she was maligned. A workless man that, them days, A shame and scandal that when she don't wear what? She don't wear underwear. I did have some look rebel, and thing who just didn't give a damn, And whatever. Back in them days when you hear a woman no wear underwear, when me look a picnic and thing, and you hear my mother and her friend them talk about she no wear underwear. Jesus Christ. What a disgrace, what a shame. And the devil, and the demon in them, And yeah. For something as simple as a woman now wear underwear. And when we say now wear underwear, Don't believe you, the woman them was excused for go sleep without underwear, you know. No. Even when the woman them go to them bed and not wear underwear and whatever and things like that, they were still considered like persona non grata, like awful, disgusting, nasty, whatever. Like proper shame, you know, man. And think you bring no shame for your family, you know, wear drawers. What? Those were, see the people I'm tell us are true. See the people I'm tell us are true. All right? Yeah. And me and them something used to go on. Oh, how times have changed, right? Oh, how times have changed. I want a big respect to the people, let me know, back in the day when they used to iron on the jeans and put semen on the jeans, don't. Yeah, we don't forget, don't. When I think back on it and think when I embarrassed, don't. I'm not ashamed, don't. Yeah, when I feel like when I remember when I used to iron on the jeans and put semen on the jeans, don't. Yeah, Munchie said the hell. Munchie, you try to know that this to go on here. I'll start your jeans. Them say that all the jeans them used to, when I tell you the jeans them used to stiff, you know, and the seam them turn up in them, you know, you must think I'm not normal. Yeah. Yeah, back in them day, the proper seam in a jeans and thing. We have come a long way. First of all, ghetto people and poor people never started that, they never did wear jeans before. You know, everything did make a dressmaker and tailor, right? Ghetto people and poor people. I tell you, the thing flip now, you know. The thing flip. You see, now, when you go tailor a dressmaker, what we call designer, it's custom made. Or if it's really unique, it's haute couture. French, you know, unique. Nobody else have it because it was specially made for you. That are the thing now. So when you get your clothes custom made, yeah, tap a tap. When me was picnic, when you buy your clothes ready-made, you are tap a tap. When you go dressmaker and tailor, you are poor people. So, we never use the term custom made, but really that's what it was. And if you had custom made clothes back in our time, you are poor people. Every community you're going to have several dressmaker, several tailor, and several shoemaker, right? Because no found who now live big life now. As soon as the shoes rub down, you just go buy one. You forgot how shoemaker used to make money in Jamaica because everybody, every shoes where them buy. As when the heel are rubbed down, you're going to get new heels. You know that buy what kind of new shoes? You go to the shoemaker and you get new heels. Hello? Make your people them tell you and think you a lie, me I tell. You gotta get new heel for the shoes. Yeah? Yeah. J-Money said his grandfather was a shoemaker and thing. I saw the thing he used to say back in Jamaica, you know, them days. All new sole to a new heel, a new tip, a new this and that. You know, that's what your shoes, that's what kind of shoes. Yeah. If I wanna live life right, you know, and think shoes rub down, you know, buy back one or whatever and thing, when I ball and I say, boy, life hard and whatever. Life hard is because when I adjust. Because if you did I live like you did I live now and then you save enough money. Yeah. If you did I tip on the shoes, them and I fix the heel, and whatever, and I run go buy one new one and all them something. When I save enough money here, yeah. You know, some people, I always love reminding about them, look at something, you know, make them know where I come from. You know? Right? On the day I know I change one more leap of channel and they on Netflix and whatever and all them something there and thing. You remember when TV used to sign off 12 o'clock at night time and the ugly supper come on the TV and the national anthem sing, don't. And if you give thanks, because when the TV they sign off and after that, all we could have do was go listen to Anansi's story and Big Boy story and all them something and whatever. Yeah, when I live big life now, try remember the one channel them one used to watch. One channel on TV, JBC, black and white. Hello, Moto, okay? One channel. JBC, on they are change channel, whatever. In them days, you get to look at TV and they go up on the channel. You never, ever change channel. You never, ever change channel because the channel are different change. Now one channel, yeah, and it was one big old button. And all of the TV them did have it up on channel 3. Yeah, and the only button you end up going touch was the button where you kind of gauge, because you know the TV, the screen always I go up and I switch the screen, I go up, and you have the button and you try to catch it, you try to catch it for it stay one place and all them something that don't forget when you have to send somebody up on the house top, come on, think this I get off, you go fix the antenna and you have to inside or somebody up on the house top or you up on the house top and you say, all right, move it now. No, move it again. No, go back to where you did it. Wait, go back to where you did it now. Where you did that? No, wait. Go back to where you did that. Go. All right. Hold on. Go on now. Right there, sir. Don't move. But I have to move because it's a lean. I can't leave it lean. I have to straighten it up. But I right there, side there. You can't hold it right there, so no, I have to straighten it, I go straighten it up. Jesus Christ, you go straighten it up and the thing gone again, and what? Problem, you know, people. See, people, them must think I lie, me I tell, see them are dead with laughter, then know exactly where me attack. People, me tell you, in them days there, if TV could attack, if TVs could attack in them days there, they would have carried Jamaicans go court for abuse. I say in them days, if televisions could talk, they would have carried Jamaicans go court for abuse. You know why? As some bitch like we get TV them time up on the side, you know. We beat out it clot, man. We beat TV for TV time to the listen to me now, man. Maybe you never tell you, man. We beat the TV by the side, and I try to it steady up itself and stop with it, something that run, go up, you know. Murder, and when we good show come on, you know, Thornbirds, Dynasty, Falcon Chris, whatever, on the TV and fart up itself or whatever. And we want to know what kind of wickedness JR go to swelling and all them little thing now, whatever. And we Lance I go on with Angela in a Dynasty and whatever. And with Mr. Mande, the priest I go finally dugu Miss Lady the way I'm in love with in a Thornbirds and thing. Or we want to watch Barnabas Collins or Jackie Lass. Yo, man, say some bitch like we used to put on TV, we lick out it clat, that beat we beat it, you know, for the TV steady, you know. Not in our mind, if you beat it, man, it was steady up, man. And it was just this thing all across the country. Everybody a beat them TV. Yeah, Lord Jesus and the plan. Yo, hey, no found I bringing the back guy right and who shot JR? What a piece of crisis that they did and we done. Who shot JR? A problem, man. Hey, that did stress me out, you know, man. That did stress you out and I did Bobby wife, done. The girl that what they did with Elvis Presley, done. Yeah, you remember Love Boat? Lord God, man. No, Brooke, I want different something, man. That are the soap opera now. Brooke are the woman where did that grind off everybody. Hey, let me tell you something. What that soap opera where Brooke did in? What I want the name? What the woman when name Brooke did in? What I want what the one where Brooke did in? What that soap opera the name? What that soap opera the name? Where Brooke did in? Bawl and Beautiful. People, let me tell you something. Me never watch Bawl and Beautiful and me know about Brooke. Right? Me never watch Bawl, me never watch soap opera Jamaican, you know? And me know about Brooke. You know why? Yo, let me tell you some Jamaicans them hate Brooke, you know? Because Brooke grind up everybody in that soap opera there, you know? Yo, Brooke take him man. Brooke take him man father. Brooke take him man brother. Brooke take him man father brother. Yo, hey, any of them did allow it in a them time, the Brooke could all grind off all of the woman them. Brooke no play, you know, man. Hey, if you hear some Jamaican talk about Brooke, and like, no, one time I tell one woman, when they put one bus, I go pop in and she said, I'm not care where you say Raga. No, it wasn't Raga. It was a Raga them time. But she said, any of me meet her right now, I swear to God, I would have pop up, you see. I'm saying, what you mean? It's a character upon a movie. I don't like her. You know how much misery that girl cause in a people's life and think me hate Brooke. Brooke are wicked, you know. That girl is wicked, you know. Hey, let me tell you some man, the people ain't hate Brooke and think. And me never watch it and me just hear all them things about Brooks. A Brooks a dash out. A Brooks a grind on people, man, proper. And thing, and Brooks a gangster with it, bad girl with it too, you know. Yeah. Yeah, Brooks, when she take people, man, she take over people, man, you know, man. Yeah, proper body take a reg with the thing, you know. No, yeah, Brooke of the 90s. Brooke of Steve Austin, the $6 million man. Listen to me now, man. And then now, the Steve Austin, him real name was Lee Majors, you know. And Lee Majors, he there with one woman named Farrah Fawcett, you know. And Farrah Fawcett did in our next hot TV show named Charlie's Angels, you know. Listen to me now, people. Yo, those were the days. Yeah. So we have to give thanks, right? I know how far we not come from. How far we not come from, people. Far we not come from. Give thanks and don't forget where we not come from, all right? Don't forget where we not come from. Kit, the car in a Magnum PI, Matlock. They didn't have enough weight name there. Matlock, they didn't have enough, MacGyver. MacGyver was 90s, though. MacGyver was 90s. Yeah. Land of the Giants was in Combert Earl and me in a movie. Yo, I must say the second movie when I ball in a Combert Earl and me, when they kill Combert, oh God. You know, some Miss Cherry Boy ball. My ball, you see. And then one night a movie when they watch Imitation for Life with the girl who, you know, who the black girl who did a pass for white and thing, and when her mother did and all them something. I'm a ball, you know. Ball, man, proper ball. Walker, Texas Ranger, yeah, beer watch. We're not deep in that thing. We are going way back though. We're not a 90s on the day. You know, a 90s on the day. You know, we are talking about 80s and 70s and thing. Benson was good too. Yeah. Who put the Hulk? Like seriously? Yeah, we're talking about some nostalgic thing or whatever. You come in with the Hulk. General Hospital in bigger Jamaica too. Huge. Roots would contact into when that bus had the proper a big sitting in that freeway. Night Rider. Yeah. Good Times did big. Ring Ding now. You know, say you got an old school with Miss Lou and things. See, Little House and the Prairie with it. Jamaicans never miss that. With Laura Ingalls, you know. Perry Mason did big. All right. And our cartoon them did different. Roadrunner, Rough and Ready, Echo and Jekyll. And them there, you know. The old school cartoon them, you know. You know, Royal Palm was later, man. Royal Palm was like 90s, I think. All right. So me go juggle and see if we take some more call and thing before we leave and thing, all right? Oh, and by the way, yeah, I focus now on subscribing. So I'm inviting people to subscribe to the channel, right? And that would be your way of supporting this show, right? I'm inviting people to subscribe to the channel. That would, when I bother on what you know about me, I can mention it, you know. Voyage to the bottom of the sea. Bomba, Craigton. No, Craigton, you're gone into the archives right now. You're gone in the crate. You're gone into the crate. All right? Yes, I'm asking you, it's a subscribe, okay? Subscribe to this channel. It's to the button at the bottom of the screen, so subscribe. One big up all of the subscribers, them out there and thing, bless upon yourself. And think tomorrow we're going to have a subscribe live, a subscribe on the show. Tomorrow, not tonight, tomorrow. Sonny Spoon. Sanford and Son did big, yeah. Thundercat, cartoon Thundercat. You know, it was Grey Pape. Castle, so remember Ragabash. No, man, we talk about Ragabash. It look like you just come in at the show. We talk about Ragabash, man, a couple times earlier, you know. Bonanza did big. Oh, damn. LA Law was 90s. I loved LA Law. He man. I wanna go in a kitty they know, you know. Wanna go in a kitty they know. Alright. Yeah, no, and people see back in them days, karate show was a big thing. You have two big movie genres that big in Jamaica, you know. Karate show and westerns. Bomba. Karate show and westerns. And then Jamaica was really into the movies then what them refer to as blaxploitation movie, which was American black actors, right? So Fred Williamson was a big star, Jim Brown was a big star, and Tamara Dobson, who remember Cleopatra Jones and the Casino of Gold. But them time they don't. Remember them some of them? People them time them when you come out a karate movie and thing and every day, you know. We know all of the karate style them, you know. Hung Sik Wang, Fang Siu, Chen Sing. And then one movie go come out one time where the bad guy was a silver fox, right? And then from that movie, every other movie, the bad guy was a fox. You know, so who was the silver fox? The silver fox was like, you know, you just, all of the bad guy, them, all of the karate movie, them was a silver fox, you know? And Starsky and Hutch it big. Drunken Master was, I think Drunken Master, well, it wasn't Jackie Chan, whatever. But them time they wouldn't know all of the karate style them to, you know. You had Tiger, right? Snake. You want to say and Tiger style. And then you didn't want to show them Iron Monkey, the big in the kayak monkey style, you know. And then whatever. I want to watch them show them will come out and thing, you know. Hey, when we watch them show them come out and you hype, you know, you don't ras up your friend them, you know, man. And think, you know, the hype and you just look upon your friend and go, boom, and you know, the karate chop your friend them, you know, with a piece of hype, you know. Be somewhere we used to go on with back them time there, you know. Then, yeah, man, the kicker man back in them day, there was one actor named John Lou. He could have kick and do a kind of sitting with him foot and whatever, you know. John Lou was a general, you see me? Yeah, those were the days. Northern Fists and Southern Kicks, big show that, man. I did have one woman out of the lot who did bad, you know. She named Angela Mao. Bad girl, yeah. You understand? Those were the days. I could give thanks, no? Bruce Lee, what Enter the Dragon was like, you know, big sitting, you know. All right, let's go. I could say we get some best friend mix-up or any other mix-up or one thing. See, I just carrying it back in time, look a bit this and make on the hear some things, no? Hello?
Raga, good night.
Yeah, what's up?
Big up to the people that move their foreign and still love them chicken back.
Well, but
Then brown stew some chicken back and jasmine rice.
no, that is good. But you know, you know what I find interesting with that? If you go like, you know, like where I live, a lot of Jamaicans live in this area, you know, it's like southeastern Queens. So you find the store them buy for the community.
Mm-hmm.
But most of the store them, you know, they're not owned by Jamaicans, you know.
No, because I keep food, me buy this and a Spanish own it.
And a Spanish own it. You go find, well, and you go farmers or you go Johns and whatever. A Spanish people own them, even the Stop and Shop and other people, but them buy whatever. But what I say is, if you go outside of these places, you know, see chicken back.
Like, man, up in the Bronx, me I tell her, say, me used to work at one supermarket in the Bronx.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell her, say, I prettiest chicken back them ever seen in my life. My freezer used to full up a chicken back.
No, that me I said these people, they know that Jamaicans still eat chicken back and whatever. So you have all these people who sell to Jamaicans, but them not cook chicken back, you know. But them know say Jamaicans in with chicken back, so them just sell chicken back, you know. I find that interesting.
Spanish love it too, me not lie.
Well, okay, the Spanish them love chicken back too.
What? Bye now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Raga, me have to call back because last night after me and you done talk, I'm gonna push the food one side. After me and you done talk, I don't know. I was strike this or cast this.
Yeah.
But when me come off of the call with you, a 20-something request me get for friendship. I don't mind. Build up my TikTok for me.
Well, nothing wrong with that.
But me have to address that one here. Me have to come out of my kids' them ears.
Yeah.
Me know if I the argument where me and you that talk, draw some people, or what. But Raga me DM full.
With what?
All sort of phone number, all sort of let's go on date, all sort of things. But one person aggravate me the most. I don't mind people doing these.
Was it Squeaky?
Raga, why you have to call name? I never plan for call no name. Raga, me hear you addressing me yesterday. Every DM them from different woman and me say the man living on my DM. Other people DM me, you know. And I send me them number and thing and hire whatever, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
But him take it to a level. Let's go on a date. I'm going to sit down and say, I don't answer him. I'm sorry. Squeaky there, listen. But you stop it. Me hear Raga address you time and time again. Every woman from the show Squeaky after.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me? I say no, I have to call Raga tonight. I have to call tonight and I have to address it.
No, me did I try to him say Squeaky, you have to kind of balance up your thing and have a different approach.
He appreciate me because when I see him address other woman, nothing is wrong with flirting, but nothing me hate more than is a flirt in front of woman where he claim to want to go out with. No, man.
No, but come on. Let's be honest. It's like Squeaky is special, you know. That should be obvious by now. Squeaky is special, like Squeaky just doesn't, you know, in terms of, you know, certain interpersonal skills, Squeaky just not have it, you know. So Squeaky's having a good time.
Yeah, but in front of Raga, as I said, don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
I don't mind people DM me and I will talk. I don't mind that. But when you be, you know, this presumptuous and you tell everybody this and that, and you're up in my DM and you tell me, let's go, this is my number, call me, where you from, where this, that, I'm same place. It pisses me off.
I know, but if you know this, most of the women them just allow him to do him thing.
I don't answer him because it was 11:30 last night. I go to 12.
Yeah. Them just low Squeaky. The people them understand
and
Squeaky.
that's pages were there too. So I don't know if I become me that talk up the things them are call me say me love cook and thing, but why when me come off of your show last night at 23 people.
Yeah, go on.
The rest of them appear meal.
No, you go and stubborn. Yeah, you go and stubborn up a thing. You come here talk about your dumpling. Them that Squeaky want bite piece of your dumpling here. You come here yesterday I brag out your dumpling. Them turn up and thing. I know you cook your dumpling with butter. You cook your and you need the flour with milk and all them something. I make Squeaky go hear that Squeaky want Squeaky want sink him teeth in your dumpling. Yeah. Are you dumpling Squeaky one? Try know that you're Squeaky one. Well, Squeaky one just walla your dumpling and look butter, you know, and just I make your butter soak in and I think yeah, Squeaky want your dumpling, you go and stammer up a thing.
Let me go.
No, me nah let you go. Me still color you right, you know. Listen what I go on. What you mean liquor run? Eh? No, but you know, liquor run is relative because if you lick on it nice, you're not gonna run. You know, enough people plan for liquor run and end up a liquor and come.
Nah,
yeah, did I just say that? Yeah.
Especially when you act shy.
Yeah.
So I hold out on the thing.
What?
Yeah, man. Especially when you act shy and you hold out on the thing. Yeah, man.
What are we talking about?
Liquor run.
Oh, okay, liquor run.
You see, you you gone on a different level.
No, me never know what you're talking about a while
They
ago.
give little love lick there and run.
Yeah, you know when you
Me
look a
I
bit,
think me a
you know,
talk about
yeah,
just
you know, you look a bit and we like somebody and we like them, we lick them and then we run down.
yourself,
Yeah,
man. Come on, man.
yeah.
You know what I mean? I want me them pull up tonight. Rather, let
Yeah,
me go by.
you can go and talk and thing. And me I tell you, better just line up your dumpling for Squeaky. You think you get where you understand Squeaky. Nah, stop till him bite piece of your dumpling,
Enough
yeah.
man come and not get you, and enough I go come and not get you. Me married and
Yeah,
separated.
yeah.
I'm separate from my husband. 2 years actually now. A
Yeah.
one man me there with since, and the man
No.
call about yesterday say why me coming in at the people them wipe it in life and I give him trouble.
No, me say you can't go and talk about other man or whatever. You nah get her from Squeaky. That me I tell you, yeah. Squeaky go and sink your dumpling in some gravy and wallops that
Rather no,
down.
me
No
like
that.
other rest of woman them and tell her what dumpling want sink, you know, don't do it.
All right, good night.
Yes, man. And love bite between us, so don't do it, Raga. Don't go step in her hands nest.
What you say you love bite? You love bite?
Raga.
What?
Come on.
All right then. Nighty.
Good night.
All right then. Cool. All right. Okay. The Squeaky at work, man. The Squeaky I come Ragabash, you know. So I just try to know that the boss I got there Ragabash here. And if I know the big man Squeaky I got there Ragabash and thing. See? Watch your ride, you know. Good night, hello.
Good night, Raga.
Oh, good on.
There, listen to it. Why, may I tell you, show emotional tonight and all sorts of something.
Yeah, man. Levels, you know.
But anyway, my little mix up on my sister.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, me
you what you gotta do for me now? You have to go move her from the fan.
Aye.
Mm-hmm. All right.
So me have my blood sister, Jean.
Yeah.
And I say I'm my everything.
Yeah.
Anyway, we grew up in a separate home and thing.
Mm-hmm.
So we kind of separate for a little while. So
mm-hmm.
After when my book her up and thing, me I kind of tell her my secret, them and you know what we used to do and all of these things.
Mm-hmm.
So me go look on her and tell her one time, so alright, then you know say, so and some man did a look me, but you in a time being, me did in need of stuff, so me talk to so and so man.
Mm-hmm.
My sister not do nothing more than for call so and tell so and so what go on. I must make people cut off me and ring off me neck and want kill me. My own blood sister in a Raga. Because I just bad mind and evil.
But what she gonna do that for though? What was the reason why she do it?
I think I just conversation, try make a friend and all of these things.
Okay.
I talk to so and so for how much years and then she just buck up in a so and just start spill the guts.
Oh, okay. So it's just a loose tongue thing then?
Yeah, man, Raga, but I know not normal because you could have make your own blood sister get killed.
Right. She should have hold it, man, and know, say, you know, if you had tell her in a confidence and thing. Because that person there is what? Is just a family friend or what?
Just a family friend.
Okay, then she never did that for go say nothing. Listen, could I leave it alone and thing on it? Hey, you have some people, you know, when them get news, you know, it's like them just want to be seen or just in a mix and whatever, and them get some hot and them have to let it go, you know, that hot news, them have to call the person and whatever and thing like that, you know.
No, but with some people for understand certain things that just carry to the grave, certain thing and everything you have to chat.
Indeed. But wait, the so-and-so, you didn't know so-and-so?
Yeah, me did know so-and-so. But I mean, the whole thing is like, you're young and you just want, you know, look nice and all of these things. So, you know, so you take what you get in a whole mix and say, all right then. So, you already know, say so-and-so I go on with them thing already. So, you know, in a mix, you say, all right then. You not hurt nobody, you just live, you do your thing.
No, but you and so-and-so did good, like, Know each other good?
Yeah, we know each other good.
Oh. So well, you did take your friend, man.
Boy.
Did that one that knock you door? Well on. No. Your response, I'm ask him, just here. Whoa, no, Raga, make it tell me in my belly. No, what me always hear Una say, this brother up on the internet will have the original, he have the name of the BSC from Sagittarius band, Derek Barnett, right? That's his name, right? You know about Derek Barnett, right?
Yeah, man.
Apparently, him have a talk where says something about murder, Samantha, something like so. You ever hear it? Whenever anything sensation like me, a Jamaican woman with it, like murder Samantha, murder to Samantha, murder for Samantha. But anyway, so it was your friend, people.
Our friend people, yes, you know, but now, you never say the friend I got in an issue because the friend already a mixed with some other.
Okay, the friend did that burn him too.
Yeah, and things. So and you just young and you just want to look nice to and all of these things.
About what age them time? About what age you was them time?
About 17, I got 18.
Yeah, so you're young people then time, man, and just step out in my world. So well, and the person that did have money do and I give a look at change.
Could I do something for me? Never really have money, but could I do something better for me?
Yeah. No, but that was why. I don't know. As your sister, she shouldn't go say nothing to her. Do. So them they step to you? Them they come for you?
Why? Me almost get comfort, but stay in a lane.
Stay in a lane and build, no?
Lane, because I don't know, say me a wrong person already, so me did already wrong.
Yeah.
You know, you have to just hold your own and just know what me shocked for know say my own sister go tell so and so what go on.
John, no, she shouldn't do that, man. Should have hold it down and thing. Well, that's why, something you do, if you tell your family or your relative, yeah, man.
And something just take it to your grave, man. I tell them.
Yeah, you learn your lesson, don't you?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Just last week, somebody in a position where her mother asked her something and the mother pressure. And, but then the mother go find out, say, Ray. So the mother upset now, and I said, but look, come and ask you, me and your mother, you never, whatever. So she tell her mother, I said, me not trust nobody, not even my mother. The mother go interpret that she says she not love her.
No, man, I just.
And my thing, that not means that she not love you. She just people just hold on certain things. They like certain things that you just don't even tell your mother. Not even your mother you tell.
Two different something, man.
Yeah, when you say trust and love are two different something, don't. Yeah. Me understand now. You have some things you just don't even tell your mother. You just hold it down, And like you say, carry that guy your grave with you. You see it? All right. And I say a word, you're good as.
Cut me off, coming and not believe it.
Nah, man, I say a word, man. I got you, boo. I'll take you down. All right. Here we go. All right. Yeah, best friend Mixup or any other Mixup. Hello. All right, too much. Right there, man. So Lego this right. That sound too right, The feedback right out I see him phone. Raga, I saw you did nice. Your girl Tasha Bling. No easy, Greetings. Hello. Come on to this. Boom, 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 Wait, hello?
Good night, Raga.
Good night.
You can hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you good, man.
Yeah. Me never should I really call this a mix-up power, but remember when me in my 20s, right?
Yeah.
And my first son, godmother, did I get married. She lived next door to them time there. She and her boyfriend I get married. So me did get invited to the wedding, but me did have work. And it was a weekend, and you know them busy place, so me did have to show up at work and things. So me did decide to, all right, in the night now, I go by the reception.
Yeah.
Anyways, she have some people from the country where care up like, you know, ground food and other stuff, and them that help to prepare the food at the house to carry at the venue.
Yeah.
So when me left the yard, when me left work, now, me stop over next door, that are next door to me where she live. Things are prepared, the food, soup, everything for carry at the venue. She there at the venue. Anyway, me I turn in out the place busy. Everybody in there busy, you know. I do them own little thing and spur and I do everything. So it's like me go to no one going at the house because I'm not a stranger to the house. So when me walk around and go in one of the room, only to see the groom, the man himself, I get married in a him suit. Hug me and suck up me toe. Give me one piece of kiss in there because in the
Hold on, the groom and who? Hold on, the groom and who?
In a him suit.
Adua.
Amen.
What?
He just goes and just hold me one grip and hold me close to him and suck up just like that. Like him just give me you know, until you well want to do something to somebody, so him just wait for that like a moment.
And push him tongue right down in your mouth and push him tongue down in
right there in him suit, him Havana. Because apparently him left the venue, me not tell no lie, Raga. Him left the venue and it's like him come back at the yard, must say if he come pick up something, drive, he stop, he come pick up something, carry back from the venue. And see me. Him they always have eyes for me, but me never expect that.
Nah, well, no. When you say him always have eyes on you, because woman know when man always have pre them and things. So you did
yes, man.
All
right. For instance, when I say I have eyes for me, because I didn't know. Like me the next door, I may have on certain clothes that say you look nice the door, or you must smile with you or something or the sort. But me never used to carry him nor bring him because I not uphold with certain things. You understand?
Right.
I never uphold with it. But I tell you say that evening now, when me do come from work and then just go over there now to see what's going on and so forth. Because even my mother was there helping out too with the cooking and so cause you understand? So him left the venue now, come at the yard. To come probably pick up some stuff and go back. When me go and turn like in a one of the room, there's a him that my pounds up and nobody not in there. Just grab me up, tongue in the mouth, same time, start put on one piece of kiss him and fear push him off and me so and say, brother, do. Nobody come see them play here. Yeah. And I want to tell you, say, you're the young lady who just come off of the call a while ago. And how much years now it happened? Much years because which part I live here now? At 25 years there. I live here so now. I left that the community the long time, 25 years. And the woman where they married, she died too. And I just 1 year in the last year, me open it up and tell my mother. My mother said, what you saying? Yes, true. And I said, mommy, me not tell no lie. Come here, tell her, say me not tell no lie. But some things where the girls say, if you carry your grave, really have a fact, but they have to keep it to myself because this couldn't talk.
Because you were go and you see, unfortunately with them, something there. Are you them are blame, you know?
Exactly.
When the man them do them something, I'm gonna say no. So him just got why mother just go push him tongue down in her throat so and thing and pan a wedding day, white I'm upon the wedding day and wicked.
In I'm suit.
In I'm groom suit.
I frighten myself.
Yeah. No.
And then at one point, I said, I wonder if him drunk, but I said, I don't taste no liquor, I don't smell no liquor, I don't taste no liquor.
So you push him off.
God no, I say, what last year I say to my mother, and at 25 years, I have a daughter who is 25, and from me just get pregnant with her, I come and live right here, so I then know. You understand?
So you want him ever reason one way you never ever reason one way you never take anything from him or anything like that before that? Eh?
No. I never tried to go that close to him. No. No, and after that incident, them never try to get in, come too close to him.
Right.
None at all. I try to avoid. I never say it to nobody, but keep it to myself. As sometime last year, just sometime last year, true, me know the woman dead gone now, and he migrate live, overseas.
Yeah.
And so forth. I'm say it to her.
Yeah. Why someone can't believe that? Me, listen to me. No, me I tell you, some me believe. Some of them in the chat like about them not believe and whatever. But I saw the chat go on, man. You have about if you're kissing back and whatever.
I serious something.
Yeah, no, I believe you because you have some man them stay so. You have man who stay so.
Chat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Raga, me not tell no lie. Chat. Me say, when time the person him grab me up, so me have me two hand brace him back. So he just embrace me back and I try to do whatever I'm doing. So me didn't even think him drunk, but I don't smell no liquor. I don't taste no liquor.
Man do them something there all the while. Man do them something there all the while and think. Enough time man do them something to all. Well, the most common version of that. Man do them something to them woman friend. And the friend them hold it and don't tell the woman, but them just avoid the man because them know say anyone
got to the woman because that would have caused pure problem and everything would have reflect back on me because they would have probably think of me and look him or me and push him up. So me never say nothing because you know the woman dead and gone and the man no live at Jamaica again. Me say it to my mother.
Well, the man where they do it, him the name Dog Bite. I never dog bite.
But could I hurry up and get one shot, one Mexico sweet one to again?
Yeah, rinse it, man. Rinse it. Well, I just want to. I never dog. I never dog bite, right?
Pass, man.
And I never squeaky. I never squeaky. Okay.
No.
Give me the next one.
All right, very about 20-year-old too. Them back then, them time there. And my mother now, same yard where I talk about where I come from too. Cause right now if you see me now, I'm soon 47 and I don't even look it. Face girl and everything.
Nice.
I tell you say it's like we live in the house and my mother rent the house there. So me and my mother's smaller sister in there as two young ladies. So we are 20, 21, somewhere about. And the landlord have a son. He married, have him wife, pretty woman too, we are Indian, look good and everything. So he normally come on Sunday daytime to come, get some of my mother dinner and then cook something there. Even if he's on church, he would have go in the pot and share out some in the kitchen. And I wash some dishes and things. Me only feel somebody can hug me from behind. And I go, so I turn around, I look my friend, I say like for me. The man I'm gonna make me know say, like me long time, whatsoever maybe or whatever. And if any can have something going on right. So I said, no, me can't do nothing like this, no matter where. Me try to tell the man, so that be a ball, the man put on ball, and never see big man put on ball in, so I try to get involved with people.
What do you mean ball? What do you mean ball?
He live in water, want relationship.
Like proper ball, just a ball, so?
Proper balling, shedding her tears. You have to say most wicked people that. And then what made in a disbelief again as a young miss, as me tell you, I'm very good looking as well. Don't look my age at this age when me tell you me is. But it puzzle me because that woman work a bank, him wife work a bank. It's an Indian, and Indian good looking. So me not expect, nothing like that. But me just try to show you all some of them money, all them bare face and stay. So make the chat think a joke business with them. And a joke man and a lie.
All right, now say a word, man. See, no, man, I believe you. All right, bless up, man. Cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eye. I can see it in your smile. Greetings.
Yeah, man, greetings. Man.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Yeah, man, that's something I access. Someone said to you to stay. I have a sister, and she live in Manchester, but over 20 to 30 years, I can't find him. I don't know why. I can't get contact with him. I don't know. And my father died, but my father died, I have no link with she again.
Oh, yes, from your father died. You don't have any link with your sister?
No, me live and come to foreign and around like 20 year, around 21 year now to 30 year. Me can't, me no know, me no touch with him. She live a Mandeville.
What your sister name?
Name Karen Robinson.
Karen or Kareen?
Karen.
Spell it. Spell it. Spell it.
Kareen.
Kareen. Kareen Robinson. And you say, where is she from?
Manchester.
Manchester, but she can't live anywhere in Jamaica now, correct?
Yeah, but she married with the last name. I don't know what is the last name we married.
You don't know what is the last name. So wait, what was her original name? Kareen what?
Karen Robinson.
Kareen Robinson, but she married, so she could have named like Kareen Broomfield, right?
Yeah, anything but, you know.
Anything.
She used to work, I don't know, on a supermarket in Mandeville Square near us. I don't know if I save something like that. I don't remember what kind of supermarket.
So Kareen Robinson, who used to work in a supermarket in Mandeville Square, your brother look for you, okay? Your brother won't, talk to how many decades now. He's trying to, what your name?
Easton Robinson.
Your name Easton Robinson.
And your father name Lyde Robinson.
And your father name what?
Lyde Robinson.
What?
Lyde
Robinson, okay. The two have the same father?
Yes.
Okay, the supermarket, was the supermarket Super Plus?
So Super Plus are Super, but one of them named Super. Yeah, most Super Plus are, yeah. So Super Plus.
Okay. So, and the reason you want to contact your sister, is there a particular reason you want to contact her?
Yeah, from them time down much years, man. No, I don't know. From me around 12 to 15. Then time they me know her, but I'm not know her again. No contact with she again.
Okay.
I know me 50 odd year old.
I know you're 50-odd-year-old. So if anybody know a woman called Kareen, right? It would have been, her original name was Kareen Robinson, but apparently she's married now, and she has a different last name. Originally from Manchester, Mandeville area in Manchester, and she used to work at a supermarket in Manchester Square, which you're referring to is Mandeville Square, you meant, right? In Mandeville Square, which may have been a Super Plus supermarket. I think her brother, Easton Robinson, is trying to get in touch with her. So if anybody watch this at any point and you have the link, just make sure you know it's Easton Robinson.
Otherwise DJ East.
DJ East. All right, he's trying. And on TikTok, his name is DJ East 611. DJ East 611 is trying to, Easton Robinson is trying to reach his sister, whose original name is Kareen Robinson, and who may have had a different last name from marriage. And if anybody have any information that could facilitate this contact, please send the information to DJ East 611 on TikTok. Okay? All right. My brother, you see if anything come out of that,
so,
yeah?
Otherwise, you can link with Jamaican Girl TV on YouTube. Any one of them can link up.
Link with what?
Jamaican Girl TV. YouTube.
Jamaican Girls TV on YouTube. Okay, all right then, cool.
All right, thank you, man.
Yeah, man, you're welcome. All right, then, cool. Yeah, we could try 2 more of them here before my leg up. I mean, I want to hear on the foolishness from Kimberly and all them people and whatever. And alone me make me go, because I'm going to call Chumpy after this and some people who want ticket for buy. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hey, Raga.
What's up?
What?
I'm not there.
Raga with the pretty body head.
Eh?
Raga with the pretty body head.
I'm gonna be a trouble when I get today, though. John, go on. Yeah.
I would have put one by your body head, your body head pretty, you say, hello, baby face. Remember me tell you.
You have put one by my...
Yeah, Raga.
What?
I tell you what me would do, you, Raga. Me da put you for lie down.
Yeah.
And tie your hand over your head. Me not tie your foot them. And me I put some soda in my mouth, Raga. And me I go deal with a rabbit, Raga.
What you mean? So what the soda in your mouth I go do?
Upon your pretty body head, Raga.
But that means say you da give me a head as.
Yes, Raga.
Your head game good?
Raga.
Eh?
You when me twirly on the tip, Raga, with the bubbles a pop on the Raga. You put that
When you say with the bubble, with that thing, with the bubble, them a pop and what?
Raga.
Eh?
When you have a cool, this is just like when you have a cool red stripe beer, Raga.
Yeah.
And you have a cool soda, Raga. And you put some of that in your mouth, Raga. And that cool little bubbly, just like when you are drinking. And a little coolness in your throat, Raga. Raga.
So well on that can make like the man like really can really turn it up on the man for true?
Raga, you see that little bubbly there? That little, you go give a little pop like.
Mm-hmm.
Me say, you go feel say a Christmas when I know Christmas.
Man, you just talk up your mouth and thing and whatever, you know, good like that, you know, you just full of chat, you know, your head game not really that good, you know.
Raga, me have a good throat back.
Alright, hold on. Okay, time out. No, you see, when me say me a old man for true, you know, right? That I want two. No. Is this some kind of joke where you just play relay with and tag team with? Because you know what's going on with you and this thing and whatever. A DJ Chris Cross, you know, for go off and Chris Brown and Chris Brown and go off and Brad Pitt and
I want Raga on this app. No, two. One Raga. I want to talk about Raga. You see, I was here now. Me just take off the glasses and put it one side. No, you start to clear 2020 vision.
So when you take off the glass and put it one side, like what that I go do, like
because now be safe now, eye water they come down when me are going with the things and with the Raga. What you talk about?
You look like you sound like
because you got emotion, Raga. Raga na ask you, I tell you.
Nah, me no know. Oh, you're sure. Oh, you're so sure. Oh, you feel so sure. You know, like you can't know. So you think that, but your talk said like that definitely mash up my head and whatever. But why for me is been there, done that. You can't come with nothing where I gonna mash up my head and thing like that. Oh, you're so sure. So you're good like that. Like you could have mash up Raga head. Oh, you're so sure about that.
All right, Raga. All right, put on the mouth game. Raga, you know what I say? Me not have a pretty nookie, he ugly, but with my ugly nookie and for your pretty body head, make a good combination.
What you mean? Your chun ugly? You have an ugly chun?
Yeah, Raga, you ugly. Me not tell nobody say me have a pretty chun, Raga.
What make it ugly? Oh, it's oh, it's for make it. Why you say it ugly? Oh, it's
Raga, one side kinda lip-sided like. One side little bit longer one side. One side longer than one, Raga. You know pretty. But Raga, you good.
Well, so like one side hang down and one side up down.
No, you not really hang down. Like one side fatter than one, Raga.
One side fatter than one. So hold on, it the farm? You chun the farm?
Raga. No, you know the farm.
You know the farm? Okay.
No.
You know the farm.
No.
But you said ugly because one side fatter than one. So you have an unbalanced juju then, right?
Call it Raga, yeah.
Like in a real way when make it not look good, though.
To me, you not pretty. But
You know,
man tell me say pretty.
okay. So then, so one side meaty and one side a kukum.
Yeah.
Okay. So
40
that,
versus slimmers.
oh, so your Jojo, it a slimmers and fluffy at the same time, though.
Yes, Raga. Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
And then, but you say good do it. Apart from that, you know, for quint it and squeeze it and something. Then.
Raga, that me just want go tell you.
Huh?
Raga,
Huh?
they have this, you know, in a quinta I like, and a grippy, Miss Grippy.
Yeah.
Then I ask Christ, Raga.
Good like that, though.
Raga, then I ask Christ.
Yeah.
You saw it make quinty so and grippy so, you feel say, you would have feel say I want a vacuum, Raga.
Jesus. Glory.
Raga, I don't know where me get that from, you know, but you see, any man, all the man them, Raga, my body count no past 20, and me can call any one of them.
And them with that, so you have the most come back. Any one of them you call them come back, don't?
Raga,
Yeah.
Vanda left me and me left man. Me give man 3 chances and 3 is enough.
Oh. And the reason why them not left you or whatever, because you have the sticky steer, yes or don't?
They have the grip, the quinty, the tight. Yeah.
Glory.
My 2 favorite position, Raga, pan top and back shot, Raga.
So you even bad pan back shot, you know, if you go into back shot and something like that.
Raga,
Yeah.
you see me put you fit turn up and tell you don't move, me we work. Work me a work, and I chicken me a jerk.
Well, all right then. I hear you and I see you. All right. So big up yourself, you know. All right.
Raga, where you run me off so quick, man, Raga? You soon lock up. Raga, make we lock up the thing good now, man, Raga. Raga, me have a little mix up figure, Raga.
Give me a mixer.
Me say, Raga, you see man in the army?
Yeah.
They mean. Me met one Raga one time. About almost 2 years now, Raga. I want my friend, brother. And we are link up. Raga, for me foot them kind of been up, you know, Raga. And they say, woman, we have been up foot, you know, them sitting good. Raga,
Now, hold on. Been up as in not knee K or been up as in bowl leg, or what we call bandy leg. Bandy leg,
yes.
Okay, all right,
Raga.
yeah.
Yeah. Raga, for me sitting a pinky knife in a Raga, like my lip, you know, my lip kind of have little reddish in a Raga.
Right.
So me nookie and my lip, you know, a 2-in-1 in a Raga.
Oh, okay. Pink as them. The 2 of them are pink as.
Yeah. Yeah. So Raga, him now, we are in make a plan now. And him live in New York, me live in Florida. We make talk and me give boy chatting a boy. I give me back chatting a Raga. So me say, yeah man, sound like a good thing. I talk the things them in him, I talk the things them in a Raga. He say, alright. Make no Raga. Boy come down. Boy say, I'm go book one hotel no matter the cost site. So me say, alright. Me pick up the boy in a Raga. The boy come. And then his sister house, and I go pick him up from his sister house and we go to the hotel. Raga, me say, you see when I reach up the stairs and go, because the hotel room is upstairs. When me reach in, Raga and start strip. Raga, you see when the boy open my legs them like a chapal in Raga, him just dive right in Raga.
Okay.
Raga, at the first time me I get that eat in a Raga, me I tell you in a boy.
Yeah.
Me start climb on wall like a lizard, you know, Raga.
Yeah.
And I nothing good in a Raga.
Yeah.
Raga,
Yeah.
I'm going with the things them. At the first, me I go suck lollipop in a Raga. Raga.
What, that was the first time you did I go swipe?
Yes, Raga.
What? Yeah. All right. And then?
Raga.
Eh?
You so when him done with me, me come about 50 times.
Jesus.
He say it tastes like pineapple, Raga.
Okay, it tastes sweet. It tastes sweet, you know?
Raga,
Yeah?
you see when I say, all right, lay down my turn.
Mm-hmm.
You say, you see when you have a little, like you go up on a road and you have a little curve. I saw the body head curve in a Raga. Raga, yes, when I put my mouth on that pretty body head, Raga.
Yeah,
Oh,
use
Jesus.
code. Yeah,
Oi,
use
Mr.
code.
Apple Lollipop, right?
Use code. Yes, a lollipop. Yeah,
Raga,
yeah.
yes, when I go down on that lollipop, not sweet, so I enjoy myself that night, Raga. To how
Okay.
enjoy myself.
All right. Okay. All right
So,
then. So separate from that then. So you and this person relationship did go on?
it is going for a while, me start get good morning, GPP and all these things, but Raga, when me tell the boy say me want money for help pay my rent, Raga, the boy start to run me, Raga.
Okay.
Raga, the boy start to run me.
So why you just never get no money?
No, Raga, but he want me good GPP.
So what happened? So what me and him did
Raga, I cut him right off, Raga.
okay.
Raga, I'm not going to use out my mouth or run up my mileage for my mouth and my good for JJ, Raga. And not give me no. You out of there, Raga?
Okay. Some exchange I go on. Something for something, all right?
Yeah. Them a man in the army, them are wicked.
All right, you have to be careful with the army man them. All right, now say a word, big up yourself, all right?
Big up yourself, Raga. Me there same way tomorrow, they pay your life, same way every day non-stop, Raga.
All right, blessings, man, all right?
All right, Raga.
Cool.
Take
Yeah,
me
man.
off.
Yeah, man, cool. All right, man, I ain't it this up tonight, you know. I'm doing so the box full up and thing, but I'm going it this up tonight, here. All right. Do remember, say, my day at 6 o'clock, Mondays to Thursdays, 6 o'clock, right? And when I come to the show, don't wait for notification, right? Just come straight at the page, because if you wait for notification, you're probably not going to get it, you know? All right? So now wait for notification, just come straight to the page, just come on TikTok and come on Ragashanti page, all right? Okay? Again, just come around 6 o'clock. Sometime I'm a little late, sometime I'm a little early, but just come around 6 o'clock, Mondays to Thursdays, right here. All right? Come around 6 o'clock straight. Don't wait for notification and thing. Just turn up over here and we juggle, all right? Punchy play already, Alisa. Punchy play earlier in the show and thing. Big up on yourself. Stay safe. Do remember my birthday party again, Saturday, September the 20th. Saturday the 20th of September at Amazura in Queens. Want to know, come on, come support. And thing, somebody has to feel better. I am not sick. Whenever I'm here, my sinus act up look a bit with the lights and stuff. I am not sick. Happy birthday to you, Queen B. All right, blessings to everybody. Y'all stay safe now. Take care of you and yours. I'll see you tomorrow. Big up the SDC, the ANC. I'm sitting. Follow me. If you're not following me yet, follow me now. If you're not following me yet, okay? Janelle, you can bring that mix up tomorrow, right? Bring that mix up tomorrow. All right. I have to call a couple people here now and line up them tickets. Remember, if you want to buy your tickets to Ragabash, you can get them from me directly and thing. Just send me a number and I'll call you. All right? All right? Send me a number and I'll call you. Okay. Christina, when I look for you, look for you. All right. Blessings and respect, people. Y'all stay safe now and I'll see you tomorrow. Be good to you and yours, to yourself and to those with whom you're related and associated. Golden You want VIP ticket. Hold on, let me bring this down and make sure I'm following you. Okay, I'll just follow you back. All right, and Golden just send me a DM and thing, and all right. Send me a DM and me link you, okay? Let me see anybody else. Anybody else who need ticket, just link me and thing and me. I remember you can send me Biggie Day, man. Biggie Day boat, man. All right. Blessings and respect, people. See somebody. So Raga getting old no ass. Raga pick a panty basket for your party. We're going to give away roses, you know, but a panty basket. What is a panty basket? No, we want to give away gifts, and that sounds like something that you could give away. What is a panty basket? Does Victoria's Secret have panty basket? Can I go to Victoria's Secret and buy a panty basket to give? Because if you're going to do that, you know, it must be nice, classy, nice, you know, sexy, you know. Yeah, man, roses are the least. We're going to give a rose and thing and whatever, you know. I was ready to go. This happens every night. You just say you're done and there's a little bit of a lull and some small reasoning. Okay. But yeah, man, if you subscribe to this channel, that is your support of the channel, okay? And then Fenty v Victoria. I think Fenty is more expensive than Victoria's Secret, you know. Rihanna thing up there, you know. Riri thing up there, you see it. All these people are joining when the show are done. All these people, I say a whole heap of people are coming in, you know, when the show are done. Raga, remember, you have single ladies, so which one of the roles you're giving away? I go and give a different one, because me and said them have some different one there, you know. All right. Okay. Anybody who wants to hear a story, have to share it tomorrow after 6. And take care of yourself, people. I'm out, okay? Good night. The double action rules. So, jumping over the double action. May I check them out? You know what? I'm going to buy the rules them from now. All right, hold on. Quick thing before me go. Tell me which rose I for buy, because I want to show them on the show before me. When I want to show where I come up, you know? Just real quickly, tell me which Chumpi say him see them, you know? Tell me which, just tell me, because I would just Google it. I want Cheryl, no. Christina said, I'll send them to you. Christina, send me them. Because yeah, Christina won't know. Send me the different one them and just give me whatever explanation you can about them. Here on CBS, please. Trudy said the rose with the tongue. Okay, then. Yeah, I heard about that one. Me said I want the me said I want the Bilias. Yeah. Yeah. No, Sam, I'm not shutting no man business. I'm just taking care of my ladies, okay? Just taking care of my ladies. Come on, now. All right, people. Nighty, nighty, night. Good night. Well, 5 seconds on waterworks, though. Tropical sweet treats. Leave me alone. I want to tell you, leave me alone. All right, I'm out. Good night.